Hello. Good morning, family. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, energetic, powerful expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Good morning. Hello, Terry, and good morning to the chat. Hello, Abhishek and Magnus, Trevor, Nate, Aaron, and of course, everybody else for having another amazing day today with the roundtables who have guests. We have Myth, we have Pine. But again, good morning to you, Terry. How's your morning so far? How's everything?
It's fantastic. We have CPI today.
Yeah! Oh, yeah. Another few moments of silence for those who lost their accounts on this news release. Of course, hopefully not, but yeah.
Rest in peace, accounts.
Yeah, we are with you. But we have so many opportunities.
Absolutely. How are you, Tom?
Doing great, thank you. I was also waiting for the news release. I decided not to trade by the way, not before the news anyway. So I didn't do my early 7 a.m. Early New York stream today. I was like, let's see the numbers, let's see how the market is going to react, and ever since like yesterday, especially since the PM session yesterday, the market was kind of just ranging. So I just wanted to get through with the news release and see what's happening. That's it.
Yes, let's get started. I can share the schedule and welcome the crew. Come on down, Myth and Pine.
Yo. Good morning.
Morning.
How's everybody today?
Fabulous. How are you guys?
Doing awesome.
Doing great.
Good.
Good. So today is Wednesday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. At 10:30, you will have Ike and Corey, and that is the schedule for today.
Let's go. We have so many fun topics for today and so many things to talk about. But just a quick rundown of what happened ever since the London session. In a nutshell, nothing. But to be really honest, like we were slowly edging higher. There was actually a very good level on the 5-minute. There was a 5-minute very short block or supply zone, call it whatever you want. It was at 739. So the London session was slowly edging up to that level, and then higher. The top of that level was 805. I feel like that was the main move for London, and of course then everything kind of flatlined and consolidated until the news release. And so now we're just kind of waiting. We have this candle, and this is the 5-minute chart that I have here on the micro. We took out quite a few stops here on both sides. We still have some levels. We have a buy-side liquidity level, which is basically a swing high at 985. We have the magical psychological number of 30K right above that. And we have another swing high at 30,073 on the micro. So anything is possible. I like to lean a little bit more bullish, but we were just talking about it before the stream started, like maybe a possible pull to the downside and maybe take out 745 on the micro. The lowest level of the news candle is 745, so we'll see. Maybe we can get down there. And just a quick look on gold, obviously about the same situation, going sideways, then sweeping both buy side, sell side. And I need to check some levels here to the left. Okay, nothing. We have some fair value gaps to the left here on gold, so I would say pretty much good for a potential reversal or a pullback. The news candle low would be 4,447 ish. The interesting thing is that it was not able to sweep London lows. So I'd like to see a drop on gold, although fundamentally speaking, we might gonna have some bullish push here, but really not much to do with that. And just a quick look on ES, about the same situation. ES took the news candle high, by the way. So for some of you, it might means that we have that divergence or SMT or whatnot with NQ. ES is really bullish. It's pushing up there. Yesterday we talked about 7,800 on the 1 hour. I think we had, or maybe it was the 15-minute. Hold on, let me check. I need to look to the left. Yes. So on the 15-minute chart, we have an absolutely picture perfect supply zone at 7,800. Who knows if ES starts to go there, 7,800, it could be pulling NQ with it. So we're going to follow that. And yeah, look at this. We're still ranging inside of that news candle range. It seems like we want to take out 950, but we'll be reactive. We'll be doing the pew trades and all the usual things. But that's all I have.
Let's go. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Pine, I see you're wearing a hat. What does it say on it? I can't see on my screen.
It says code YouTube, and it says my MFTV #1.
Let's
go. I love that hat. What do you guys think of the day so far, Myth and Pine?
Well, that's what happens when you get real money, Pine's hat. You know,
Yeah.
you get to customize the digital. You get to put a digital billboard on there. See, mine just doesn't do anything. It just doesn't move. So, but no, as far as the charts go, I'm kind of looking for, I mean, we're still in the middle of the data candles, right? We have the data high, the data low. And typically I want to see one side taken before the other. I'm leaning towards, I would love to see the sell side taken first, just because I think that we should be bullish today. But we'll play it as it happens. If it takes the data high first, we'll try to target the data low and size appropriately. It might take 2 or 3 shots to get it. We'll see.
Okay.
But that's it. That's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. Obviously, I'll be taking the pre-orb if it makes sense. So
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Pine, your thoughts?
I'm gonna be looking for definitely some scalps. I'm interested to see if we run this data candle high or low on NQ. So that's gonna be like the targets for any longs or shorts that I hop into. I'll just look for those that push down to the what is it? Right around that 750 area or above at 960s. That's what I'll be looking for. Same with YM. I think both sides might get run. Right now, we're just kind of consolidating, waiting for that market open. And if YM really starts to push down, we still have that Sunday night open gap that's way down there. I can't even find it, but it's from two Sundays ago. It's a 300-point gap, open gap. So that'll be interesting to see if we actually push down. Here it is. See, way down here. So it'll be interesting to see if we actually push down eventually. Might not be today, might be tomorrow. We do have PPI tomorrow. So we have some more economic news. So I don't know. I feel like eventually, now that's not financial advice, that once YM starts to really sell off and start to accelerate, I hope I'm on the screens and I want to be targeting this area. So I've been saying it for a week and a half now.
Yes. You've been watching that level. You're like, are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Yeah, not yet.
Not
I
yet.
mean, even if it's okay to be late to the party, I think, because if we start to roll over, we get down, around this 53,000 area. It's still still a 300-point gap, open gap. So you can get a nice trade even inside this to see if it fills to the other side.
Sounds
All
good.
right.
Thank you, Pine. Regarding the news this morning, we did have CPI that came in. It came in as expected on every major note. The core PPI or CPI month over month, the year over year, month over month, and the other year over year, all as expected. So it's really interesting that the market pumped up so high overnight, and then it looks like we're trading towards the highs of the news. Did you guys expect this at all?
man, I really didn't know what to expect, to be honest. I just react. I don't try to anticipate. We just say, okay. It was a nice 200-point candle, but it doesn't look clean. It looks like if you tried to play it, you might have got wrecked on both sides. But maybe it gave you what you needed. I don't know. So
Yeah.
hopefully.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised that we haven't run at least the high or low yet. I mean, we were just consolidating. I mean, it's pushing up into the right now. So we're only 30 points away from taking out that high. So
what we need this morning is the Tom Sabo guarantee.
Well, I like to give a guarantee on this, but to be honest, it's really just, the consolidation is definitely not good. I want to see a level taken out first. So if we can stay above the 950, I would say then let's go above 30K, absolutely, and then we can catch like a nice 30 points or something. But you know, all this, so the full news candle, like what was the mid level here? Actually, I just checked it earlier. So we're looking at 847. If we go down there, then I would be aiming for that 744. Is it going to be a guarantee? I say if we have down close candles on the 1 minute chart, maybe on the 2 or 3 minute charts, definitely should be going down below 750. But hard to say guarantees, Smith. We cannot give guarantees to anyone. So, you know.
No.
No.
No. Except for the guarantee that we can't give you a guarantee.
Oh yeah, 100%.
It sounds like Tom is skipping around the guarantee here.
Yeah.
So just put it out there, Tom. All right, Tom Sabo,
No.
guarantee 30,000 today. There we go.
You know what? I can guarantee that we're going to reach 30,000 this year. How about that?
Whoa.
Whoa. So, you know, it's kind of a good call.
Hi, Husk. Husk is in the house.
Hey, Husk. Hello.
So how are we doing on the likes?
Oh, yeah. Let's see the likes, everybody. So, likewise, let's see. We are at 103 likes. Thank you so much, everybody. That's what we like to see. We can get this, everybody. We can get this to 350 likes. We're seeing more and more people coming in. Thank you so much for watching us. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, you know the drill. Just come over to YouTube Land, smash the like, make sure to subscribe, and of course, send the stream link to everybody that you can. And, you know, that's the routine. Thank you so much, everyone, for the support. Let's go.
Let's go. Once we hit 70,000 subscribers, Tom has guaranteed that he will do a special dance for us.
Now that's a guarantee. That is definitely a guarantee.
Can we get a preview, Tom?
No, definitely not. And I need a guarantee from you too. I mean, you need to put yourself onto this, Smith. I mean, it's just only me right now. You need to do something as well. I mean, I'm not talking about the Speedo pictures or anything. I just need you to dance or sing or something like that.
All right, we're going to hit
30,000
today, or I don't know what the punishment could be.
I'm not doing that.
I do think we hit 30,000. I think we cleaned that area out.
I'm definitely not doing that. No,
Yeah.
definitely.
People really want to buy.
Yeah. By the way, it's really close. You know, as I said, if we can get above 950, we should be hitting 30K real easy. But yeah,
it's only 50 points. This is the NASDAQ we're talking about. Come on.
Yeah, but you know, the CPI numbers, like today's CPI numbers, come exactly as expected. So there was no major inflation surprise, right? So I would say for NASDAQ, that's generally a positive sign. Everything because cooling inflation can reduce pressure or interest rates. So I would lean to a more bullish sentiment here, but you know, is it going to just spike up there like crazy? I don't know. It's really and by the way, for gold, if the key thing right now is, maybe I forgot to say this, to watch the dollar and treasury yields. So that could be something to watch for, but overall I would be bullish. That's for sure. Yeah.
The pre-orb is a very small amount today, guys. It's only 25 points. It's not my favorite. I like it to be like 40 to 60 points. So
is there a line in the sand that you draw where you're like, I'm not taking it?
When it's this small, excuse me, when it's this small, it's very high probability that we open up outside of it. So we'll still take it if it opens up outside of it, but I'll probably only like the downside if we sweep that 950 before open, which we're most likely to do.
Yeah. And we should be
doing
that.
We might hit that Tom Sabo guarantee of 30,000 before open. We'll see.
Who knows? Anything is possible.
Anything's possible. I can show you another guarantee.
Okay.
Let's see it.
We want guarantees.
The rapid end of day is here. I can guarantee you that you will love this account because I love this account. I can show you something. Look at this.
Let's go.
Oh, yes. We love it.
Yes. This is from the rapid end of day account, you guys. What we love about the rapid end of day, it's our daily payout account, and it's end of day drawdown in your eval and your sim funded. One-time fee, that's it. So you won't get rebilled on it. So you can take your time, unlike me, but you can take your time, and it's a 90-10 split. So that extra 10% is huge. Like my payout, extra 10% is really big, right? That's $726. And then also no DLL once you're or no DLL in the eval or the funded. There is consistency in the eval, but I would rather have no consistency once you're funded, because then you can just let it rip. This was from one day, you guys. So this is what I love about the daily payout accounts, is because if you're kind of impatient like me most of the time, it's really hard to just sit on profit. So if you're like that, then you might want to try this account. It is on sale, 20% off using code YouTube. The best code. Every time you use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. And yeah, after you use this, if you're interested in this, we have 50% off any size Rapid Builder Pro. Everyone gets 2 uses of this. It does end on the 14th. So make sure you snatch it up while it's still alive. And there you go. Those are the current promos.
Terry, you totally lost me when you said this was from one day. I'm like, yeah. Whoa, what? Like 1 day?
One account.
One account, 1 day, and this would be the moment like when Terry drops the microphone, boom, and she just takes off. Like, there you go, guys. I mean, 1 day and 1 account, 70. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I mean, that is, I would say impossible, but it's possible. That is possible with 1 account, with the rep. Oh my gosh. Anyway.
Yeah. Oh, and the best part, you guys, is that from the moment I requested to the moment it was in my bank account where I could take the money and go shopping, which I did, it only took 18 minutes.
Nice.
18 minutes.
Yes.
That's exactly enough time to get to the store. Yeah. Perfect.
Guys,
yes,
I called, just so you know, I called Terry and I called Pine and I say, hey guys, what's the secret to these payouts? And their lips are just sealed. They just won't let me in. They won't let me into the club. I don't know, guys.
I also wanted to ask Terry like how she's doing it, because and she is so full of mystery. Like, I think she has some magic over the markets or something. I'm really not sure. But, I'm just, I'm doing so this is how it goes, guys, because we're trading, we're checking social media. And, sometimes we all have good days, bad days. So I'm just scrolling through the tweets the other day, and I'm seeing Terry smashing, like, I don't even know how many, like multiple thousands of dollars in one session after our stream. I'm like, what is going on? And she's just putting it out there. Like, I don't know what you're doing there, Terry, but oh my gosh, all this profit in 1 day. It's
yes. I'll share the secrets.
All right, let's hear it.
Yeah, we want to know it now. We
Okay, so the secret is when I'm doing this well, because I am so far from being a great trader, right? Like, I am on my journey also. I'm on my journey also, and there's so much I still need to work on. So with that disclaimer, when I'm doing it well, you want to make some profits, a little profits, and then you take those profits and you roll it into your next trade. So you're rolling your risk, your trade sizing is getting bigger, bigger, bigger. And if you're on a roll, so for this account, I was on a roll. If you're on a roll, it compounds so quickly, you guys, like where, one trade might be $1,500 of risk and then $1,500 take profit. So that's kind of how you build it. Yeah, that's how I do it. Pine, how do you do it?
Yeah, I mean, using that same concept, just keep rolling it, but utilizing that end-of-day drawdown with no consistency rule. You can just compound your gains.
Yes.
I mean, you get a nice little trade in. If you take a rapid and you get it over the buffer, the daily payout buffer on day 1, and it's essentially like having a 150K account. So you got about $4,000 plus dollars of drawdown at that point. So, and then if you still treat it, still treat it like a 50K account at that point. And then if you keep rolling it heavier, then yeah, and then it's just you get more drawdown. At the end of the day, it's going to
Yes.
reset, but during that day one, you got all that drawdown to work with. So
Yeah.
All right, see, okay, I see my problem now. I tend to blow the account on day one.
before
That happens too, right?
Yeah, I
Like,
did that
know
yesterday.
high risk,
so
high reward. Yeah, that happens too.
All right,
So
that's
you're
my
not
problem.
alone, Myth. You're not alone. That happens too.
Myth, I saw the other day, I was like, maybe I'm reading something wrong, that you blew a couple of accounts, or at least one. Is that true?
Oh, Tom, we don't want to talk about that.
I want to hurt your feelings, so please talk about it.
We blew every account.
Come on, man. No,
Yeah, I did. No,
come on.
and it was on the round table. I was trading. I just tilted. I don't know if you guys remember on what was it? The last time I was on the round table, I think it was maybe last Wednesday. What happened was the pre-orb actually triggered. I was copy trading all the accounts and the pre-orb triggered, and Ninja rejected my order. So what would have been a $400 winner across all my accounts turned into no trade. And it just triggered me. And I just started, very rarely copy all the accounts together. And I did. I copied them all together and just started taking trades that didn't make sense. And so if you go back and watch the last roundtable, I was pissed because I didn't want to say anything. You know, I don't want to ruin nobody's day other than my own. But yeah, I smoked every account.
Okay,
So,
I'm sorry if I brought that up, but I just wanted to say as well, this morning, yesterday I was talking about, like, I want to do some copy trading with the groups of 3 accounts, and I really rolled into it. So I was copy trading 3 rapid accounts. I was really into it, like scalping again, and guess what happened? Today, I blew them away. So 3 rapid accounts down the bin, I was a little bit pissed off, to be honest, because I really thought that this is an ideal time to scalp and do some heavy trading, you know, on the ranging market. But I just realized that I couldn't handle the pressure. So yeah.
well, if you remember someone asking me about the copy trading, and they're like, "Oh, what's your mentality when you copy trade?" Well, I tell you guys, I treat it as a single account. And so the fact that I had not been copy trading all the accounts together, I still did just that. I treated it as a single account. I didn't give myself a cool down period after missing the trade. And to be honest with you, if I'm just being completely honest, having to sit here, because it happened within like the first 15 minutes of the market open, having to sit and remain kind of on the charts afterwards was dreadful.
Guys, this is the real emotions, real stories, and this is why we keep telling you guys that this is how it is in reality in trading. And again, I wasn't really. I hope it's not a problem that I brought it up, but today I was also having like a crazy situation on this, and then I really was scrolling through YouTube. I saw your video about that. Like, oh my gosh, how are you doing with these things, and how can you manage these situations? I had a bit of a negative moment today, not because it was not these were not funded accounts, but you know, it still hurts, you know, because it kind of throws me back and kind of makes me think, like, what am I doing wrong? Why can't I control emotions? And what would be the next step to do, and how to get back in the race again? Obviously, I loaded up with new rapid accounts, so that's it. but you know, I just wanted to hear your thoughts about this, and again, chat, everybody. Exactly, transparency. So this is reality, guys. It happens not just with new traders, more experienced, and even with the super pro traders. It's just in the cards. And I'm also trying to learn myself from all of you guys in the chat, from you guys as other every host here at MyFundedTV, like, how can we overcome these situations? And it's a learning curve. And I feel like this learning curve is never going to stop. The job is to reduce these events as much as possible and take those payouts in between. So, and then it's actually very motivating to see you, Terry, taking a payout like this. It kind of gives me hope that I can get back in that rapid account, you know, easily and get that payout, you know, as soon as possible. That's it.
Well, one thing I will mention, Tom, what did I do? Did I go and rebuy 20, 30, 40 accounts? No.
No.
What I do is I give myself a cooldown period. So
Yes.
I'm trading one eval at a time, trying to pass one at a time, because I know that there's going to be a overflow event from that. If I go and I buy 20 more, 30 more, and I pass them, guess what? They're going to get blown.
Yeah.
So I reduce myself down to 1 or 2 a day, and I just try to get the funded accounts back 1 or 2 at a time and build it back up to where until I'm comfortable again, and then we will press the gas a little more and go a little heavier. So
I'm really glad we could talk about this, because I wanted to get some information as well and to share with the chat. So, and by the way, what you said, like cooldown period, getting back to one account. So that's what exactly I'm doing again. So back to rotating the accounts one by one, and that's it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
for sure.
I have gone to just trading just only one account before, and like, okay, no multi accounts, just only one, just to get your confidence back, get focused on your process again. Yeah, it's hard. I think everyone has experienced tilt. If you haven't experienced it, you are likely either brand new, or you're lying to yourself, or you just don't recognize what tilt is. When I first started trading, I didn't know what tilt was. Like, I had no idea. I never ever experienced anything like trading before. I mean, I was like, what is this? What is happening? Yeah.
Well,
And
yeah.
you're not alone, Myth. I think everyone at the round table here can
Yeah.
say we have lost all of our accounts before many times.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Yeah.
Type in one chat if you guys have experienced that, where you end up losing all your accounts and you experience some tilt.
it's not
Oh
a
my
fun
gosh.
time, but it's something that is just involved with trading. And at the end of the day, you do have to recognize that. So
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I did see a question someone asked, why do we tilt? What do you guys
Yeah.
think?
Why?
Yeah.
You know why? Here's my opinion on this. We go on tilt only because our emotions, because we know how to manage risk. Obviously, I mean, we know how much we want to risk per trade. We know what to do in certain market conditions. We know the entries. Okay. Even a new trader assumingly knows these things. So that's it. But the emotions are coming from outside the charts. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm not going to go into details. I do have some things, don't worry, all is good, going on in my personal life. Maybe I was a little bit too tired, not focusing really too much. But whenever this situation happens, I kind of feel like these things kind of getting triggered from outside the charts. And I think that's why it is. Yeah.
Interesting.
Emotions. Yeah.
Emotions, things outside the charts.
Yes,
It
yes.
could be lack of sleep. It could be some drama you're experiencing.
Yeah.
It could just be stress. Yeah. What do you think,
Exactly.
Pine?
Yeah, I agree with Tom. I mean, really, it just comes down to emotions. It's like that fight or flight that can kick in sometimes, and our own egos as well
Oh,
can kind of send
yeah.
you on tilt. I mean, that's just real. Especially being on the camera and trading in front of hundreds and hundreds of people every day, is you just sometimes the ego can take over, like behind the scenes, and you're like, oh, I refuse to take this loss because it's embarrassing if I come back the next day and say, oh, I just lost all these accounts, like Myth says, I lost all my accounts, and you made a video about it. It's like, it's very difficult to do that.
Woo! 30,000 Tom Sabo guarantee
let's
hits.
go. Good luck,
All right.
everyone.
Let's go.
Good luck,
Market
everybody.
is
We smashed
open.
that 30K. Yeah, we are open for business here. And let's see how far is it going to spike higher. Honestly, I'm going to be looking for a drop here. So, yeah. So
Me as well. There's a potential 30-second opportunity short. ES is already kind of dumping back into that range. So you could maybe get started here with a small starter if you wanted to. A little divergence right now.
Mm-hmm.
So,
YM
yeah.
selling off.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking for anything as a good scalping target here. I'm just not sure if I want to jump in already, but
I'm short YM.
short YM. Okay.
I don't think it's a bad idea to jump in here. I'm gonna get started with 2 micros.
Looking for
Yeah.
918.
Wow.
My entry is 966.
Yeah, I'm short too, by the way. 1 micro 976 is my entry. And I am going to, oh my gosh, only with 1 micro. I should have gone with 2 micro here. But anyway, I'm short. And
break even.
break
I'm
even.
gonna add on the I'm gonna add at the bottom of the pre-orb here at 1575. I'm gonna add 10 micros.
Okay.
For a 10 point scalp.
Boom, TP hit. We just
Let's
ran
go.
Let's
the
go.
data low on YM, so that was
Nice.
I want to say that was
W's.
kind of an easy trade.
All right, I'm closing my
say
position
that too
extra
loud.
$100 here. Let's go.
Another one.
All right.
W's.
Another one. 1 micro $100. That's how easy. I wish
Quick.
it would be that easy.
Every day. Yeah.
That was a $500 trade.
Nice.
Ooh.
Let's go. Quick.
Ooh. 1 mini.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. How can you do it with 1 minute? I don't know, guys.
YM's a little more it can hurt for sure, but not like NASDAQ. I don't know what it is. Like, I mean, NASDAQ can really bring the pain. YM is a little more, I would say it's like in the mix between ES and NQ. I like how it moves a little bit quicker than ES, but I just can't stand trading ES. ES just drives me insane. So it's a little bit of a mix. I would say it's right in the middle between ES and NQ.
Really watching the ES here as well. ES looking much weaker here so far. Data wick on the ES down there at 761, basically.
Okay.
Whoa. It's still going down.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I did take a loss on the pre-orb there. It did. It just wicked. It was so small. My stop was very small on it. I'm still green on the day, but it's just it did wick me up.
I'm thinking to target the 850s down there. If we can trade below 900, like right now, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm still short 1 micro, looking for the 745. I will add on a close below the 2 minute here, below like 890. If we close below there, I'll add. Look for another 10 point scalp. See if we can get it. ES bouncing off the, what is it called, Tom? Starts with the V.
The VWAP.
There we go. Let's
The
go.
VWAP.
No, I like it how you normally say it, Tom.
The VWAP.
Yeah, me too. That's I was hoping to say we want.
We want.
Jumped
We
into
want.
a short, by the way, with 3 micros, just saying taking off 2 micro if we can get down to 75.50 on NQ. And I'm going to leave 1 micro as a runner for later. If I can, I'm going to leave a runner for 8.50. So, yeah. And VWAP. Yes, exactly. VWAP. 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 VWAP.
I am going to hop in short. Also, looking for partial gap fill here.
Back it up, Terry. Oh,
Back it
Back it
up.
up.
Back
Back
it
it
up.
up.
There you go, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
yeah.
Exactly.
I was waiting on it.
Well, so far, it's not really dropping. I really wanted to see it go below that swing low at 73. Come on, NQ.
Maybe we'll go test that other side of the data candle. Maybe.
That's what I'm thinking.
That's what I want to see. Come on. I want to get 2 micro off here. Let's go.
There you go.
We got it. And I have
W's.
and 1 runner is left on the table. I'm going to put this to break even. I know it might going to get hit, but at least we took out that swing low. So if this one would drop all the way down, you know what? Hashtag for the stream. I would leave it until, well, you know what? 800 maybe. 808. 805.
Yeah, I actually marked out 805 as 50% of the data wick. So I think that's a great area to target.
My TP is 805. Yeah, so if this one would by some miracle start to drop, it would be nice to see a runner, but I kind of feel like it might want to reprice higher before it drops further. Who knows?
Get a close below here on the 2 minute 890. I'm going to add in, but not doing it so far. VWAP is still very, very nice support right there on the ES.
The VWAP is doing its thing. It's there. It's not really.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got taken out break even, no problem. It's a
VWAP is
profitable.
still down at. It's also down to 805 there, Tom, on the NQ.
805. On my chart, VWAP is at 794. Maybe on the mini it's higher. On the micro, it's 794 ish.
I don't know. I'm on the micro too. Mine's not always right though, for some reason. For some reason, I don't know why.
What a rug pull. NQ went up to 30,001.50 on the micros.
I tried to lead Tom into the Sabo guarantee, but he didn't want to do it.
I mean, I can't do it. I mean, if you're talking about it, it's not a guarantee anymore. That's the thing.
No.
So you're taking away the thunder. That's it.
Now, it's interesting that YM has run the data low and NASDAQ ran the data high. So does it do the old flip-flop where NASDAQ pushes down towards that data low and YM pushes up through that high? I don't know. We'll see. They're both up. They're both green. NASDAQ's much stronger, up at 1%. YM up, 0.18%. So, but yeah, YM's just kind of consolidating here. So when I went in short, it was basically just a break of the structure and just having that target in mind, which is something I've been getting much better at. I usually just kind of react to whatever the market's trying to do, but I've been having my better days when I have some sort of target to go for. So whether or not I hop into a short or a long, having an open gap or these data candles kind of been fire lately where we just run those levels and you can just target them, nice easy profit target. Because sometimes it always reminds me when I used to trade stocks, I never knew what size to trade, whether or not how much to risk or how, and when you have a specific target in mind where you have news that day or you have an open gap on Sunday night, it's like, well, I have a nice target to go for and you can calculate accordingly.
Exactly. Huh.
The midnight opening price is below us, so is VWAP. I wonder if we will trade lower. It looks like the 5-minute orb people did get tagged in on the sell side.
Yeah. I like this one to go lower for sure, but yeah, it's pretty much indecisive right now.
Yeah.
We got rejected from the so-called first fair value gap, or first presentation gap, so good rejection. I'm still kind of eyeballing below 850 here. I just don't have an entry I can take here, but I don't know. Maybe I can risk it with one micro or two.
Yeah.
All right, let's go with two micro. Just one micro.
Yeah.
All right, risking it with two micro, and yeah, taking off one micro at 50.50. I'm in a short from 89. And I want to leave a runner. I just don't know. I'm going to go with the 805 again with the runner. If, and that's a big if it would go lower. But yeah, I like what I see so far. I want to see a quick drop down below 850. Come on, NQ. Just drop
This is going to be a great close on this candle below the 2-minute. This could be a little, well, I thought it was going to.
I told you, you always talk, you should not say anything.
All right, it was a bad close.
It was a bad close.
But no, it's still doing its thing, though. ES is breaking below the VWAP here, so. I don't love SMTs at the data highs and lows, so even if ES takes out that data low, I probably think NQ still takes it out.
Come on, NQ. 850, here we come.
Go.
Let me put it to break even. Come on. NQ. Come on, NQ. Is this real? VWAP. Come on, VWAP.
It's about 800 below us.
Yeah, we do have some weak support on the ES at 67. We'll see if it can get through there. It's not great.
The only thing that makes me a little nervous is we're all looking at shorts.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Well, it's kind of the most obvious
thing. That's not
thing.
a good sign.
Yeah.
But it's still going. It's still running.
It is. Can it get a little bit lower, please? Please, just let's tag 850. Let's, let's just move on from that 850. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. It's so
That's kinda-
easy.
Well, that's kind of your only psych level here, right? I mean, that
Yeah.
midpoint 805, 800, your next level. If we can kind of
Yeah,
get to 850.
Yeah, mid-level is on the micro, it will be 847. And I do like the round numbers here. So 850 is the only, that kind of cycle level here to go for. Otherwise, I would not be surprised on an instant spike higher, like 50 points out of nothing, and just squeeze everybody above 30K again. So,
Let me take a quick look here because the wick is much larger on the 5. The 50% on the 5 is at 824. So, kind of interesting.
Myth, if I lose this trade, do you buy me a new Rapid account or something?
No, sir, I can't help you with that. We'll have to talk to Terry about that.
Yeah.
Terry's already been to the mall with her payout money, so
Yes.
Oh, goodness. Not to the mall.
So what do you buy when you go to the shopping mall? So you have now the nice payout, new purse or something, some clothes, or what's the goal? Clothes. Okay.
Yes. I bought a lot of clothes. It was a
Okay.
very successful shopping trip. And
Listen,
very
I hate shopping for clothes.
Okay, so we want to
Anybody
know,
else get that?
everybody in the chat wants to know how Terry does the shopping. Like, you go into a shop and you spend like 4 hours in there, or you just go
No.
and you're like, this is what I want, and you're out of there in less than 3 minutes.
exactly. I shop like a guy.
1 second, guys. I think the form's about to drop. Did you guys hear the do-do-do-do-do?
I didn't
I
hear
heard
anything.
it too.
Oh, you guys
Yes.
heard it? Yeah. Okay.
Everyone drop what you're doing. There's the forum. MyFundedFutures just dropped a forum. Make sure you get your name on that forum. This is how you can enter the race. We will be doing a brain rot race. Make sure you get in there.
I think
For a
there's only
chance to
1
win.
minute from what I saw earlier to get in.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So,
So you got to be fast right now. Less than 1 minute. Otherwise, it closes.
a pew pew entry. It's a pew pew entry.
It's a
It
future
is.
entry.
I love the pew pew trades, you guys, with a full size contract with a mini copy traded. Oh, my
Oh, yeah.
goodness. It just adds the profit so quickly. But
Yeah.
the opposite is also true.
Anyways, you
And
were
also-
saying, Terry, about shopping? I didn't
Oh,
mean to
yeah.
interrupt.
Less than
Yes,
3
yes.
minutes. Less than 3
feel-
minutes.
I feel like I shop similar to a lot of men because a lot of men typically don't like to spend time shopping, and I like to go and I like to pull a bunch of things. I'm like, yes, and then I'm like, yeah, that looks like it fits. I take it all and I go to the register, and then
you don't
I
even-
just
You
I
don't
buy
even try it
and
on?
I don't even try it on.
Oh,
I'm probably
okay.
the best girl in the whole world to go shopping with because I'm so fast. I'm like, and then I just bring it home. And then I'm like, okay, like I tell myself, if I don't like it, I can return it, like as far as if it doesn't fit me. But usually almost everything fits just because like I eyeball it. I'm like, yeah, I think that fits. Like this, I bought without even trying on, you guys. I was like, yeah, I think that fits me.
Nice.
Guys,
Yeah.
this is the type of girlfriend you want. It finishes up super fast in the shop. And that's
Yes.
it. That's what
Yes.
you need.
Well,
I
I'm
can,
going
I
to be
can see
honest with
Terry
you.
getting her.
Oh,
I
go
can see
ahead.
Terry getting her payout or requesting her payout and already in the car looking at her bank account to see when MyFundedFutures sent it to the
Uh-oh.
checking account. She's
True.
as she's driving to the mall, she's got it pulled up. She's like, yes, it's in.
But
is
what I was going to
true.
say is I did go shopping with Tom when we were in Hungary, and
Yeah.
I had to pull him out of the store.
What?
He was in the shampoo aisle for like 30 minutes
Yeah, that's true.
looking
That's
at
true.
shampoos.
Yeah.
So
For
That's
30
true.
minutes?
yeah,
30
he
minutes.
loves his shampoo.
Yeah.
So
Exactly what happened. So what can I say?
you got to
Yeah.
remember he has a lot of body hair.
No, that's not true. That's
No.
not true.
This is your secret for having
This
such
is-
great hair, Tom.
This is
It's
secret.
the shampoo.
Absolutely. The shampoo is my secret, everybody. And the other secret is that I was considering to close this trade because it's just not going anywhere. So I might going to close it down manually because I'm expecting a bounce here any second. I just don't like it anymore. Or you know what? Maybe, you know, let's fate decide. I'm gonna pull my stop down to 913, which is gonna be a very small loss. I don't want to hold this trade anymore because I just don't like it. I feel like a bounce could be happening any second up to 30K. So yeah, just a tiny loss if I get taken out. I'm still gonna be in a nice profit, but I just don't like the way it behaves right now. So yeah, yeah, exactly.
Is anyone else still in your trades or started a new trade?
Yeah, I'm still short.
Okay.
Me too. Pine, are you flat or are
I'm
you
flat.
in a trade? You're flat. It's just consolidating pretty much within that 5-minute range. It did take a peek below and then it moved right back in.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I think it's going to shoot higher, by the way. That's why I'm not going to hold this trade higher. So, yeah, there you go. I got taken out, no problem. It is what it is. Still in profit, though. So, it is a certain way of risk management. Also, like, what a skill. We need to talk about that, too, sometime. Like, that's also a huge skill of if you're able to cut the trades early on. So I do know that I asked you, Myth, about this, and you said it's not a problem for you. I definitely admire any trader who is able to cut their losses as early as possible. Because most of us, including myself, when you're kind of struggling with the market, I just kind of like, you know, we're all like that deer in the headlight. You're watching that trade going to a drawdown. You're just freezing down. You should be cutting the trade, but you cannot push the button, or your stop loss is like too much high or low or whatever. And, you know, that's the hardest thing, to cut the trade. One of the hardest things next to walking away, to cut the trade early. What you guys think about that? Do you have trouble cutting the trade early?
Well, I don't if I put my stop down before before it gets to where it's supposed to be. I wanted to be out of this trade at 908 and I didn't get the stop down in time. So naturally we just moved it higher. So I'm probably going to have to just kill this here and re-enter. I think it's the smartest thing to do. Let's see. Give it a
Yeah,
moment.
know-
when I was first learning to trade, Tom, you don't know what you don't know when you're first learning, and everything you're experiencing for the first time. And I remember feeling like I was physically stuck in a trade. Like I can't. I'm just stuck in this trade. And I remember telling one of my friends, like, oh, I just got stuck in this trade. And if you've traded, you know what I'm talking about, like where you feel stuck, but really we're not stuck because we can just cut it. And however, it's like that emotion. It can just grab you sometimes. And you feel like you don't want to cut it. Yeah, I've definitely experienced that. And much more when I first started to trade. Like,
Oh, yeah.
exactly. Elise Future says, yeah, emotional.
Looks like it might want to resweep the high here. Let's see if it does.
It does seem like it to me, yeah. And I'm just so glad that I got out from that trade early on. Yeah, but right now it's a no trade level here. So we closed higher than that first presentation gap. I'm saying this for smart money or ICT traders. So we closed higher on the 1 minute here. We're now kind of pulling back into the same gap. So we basically inverted this fair value gap. It seems like it's ready to pop higher than 30K again. Okay, well, I mean, overall, if we go back to the numbers and the fundamentals, it is like as expected, but more likely bullish for the market. I'm just surprised like why it did not want it to go down, at least to go below 850. I don't understand that, but anyway, let's go above 30K. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes is about almost the middle of the range. Let's take a look at YM. YM is up by about 100 points. It's 0.19% in the green. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still in my short. I still like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait and see. It's 1 micro. I'm down by about $100 right now. I'm actually copy trading, you guys,
Don't tell
Oh,
anyone.
but with 1 micro.
Oh, that's
In each
easy.
account. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sweating too bad. Not at all, really.
Oh yeah.
I feel like after you trade like multiple minis in each account, it's like you trade 1 micro. It's like, I feel like this is a picnic.
Oh yeah, right.
It does feel nice, the difference. Yeah. It's reminding me that I need to trade micros more, and just like 1 micro copy traded is kind I kind of like this feeling. So I know what you guys like about trading the micros across multiple accounts. It's like less stress.
Yeah, and especially when your trade is in the green, it's so satisfactory. Like you like to see that trade swimming in the green, making more money, exactly, and you can just really sit back and enjoy, and knowing that even if it goes a little bit against you, it's definitely not going to hurt your balance that much. So it has the advantages. The only thing we keep forgetting is, as I said multiple times, that we want to get it fast, which is, I agree, it's a good thing, but it's a marathon, and I always forget that.
Yes, it's definitely a marathon. Yesterday, I was kind of targeting the entire year. I was thinking,
I'm short.
Okay.
Pine is short.
Pine is short.
Yeah,
I am.
short. Yo.
Thank you.
MNQ.
MNQ. I want to jump into.
I re-entered short too at 950, so kind of at the data wick high again. It kind of rejected that. Once it got back below, I just took it.
Jumping into a short myself as well. So in a short again.
Oh, we're all short again.
We're all short. Okay.
Who's gonna fade who?
But this time I'll try to go again for 850, and somebody has to take the fall here. So who's gonna be it?
Not me. Not today.
Okay, Myth, it's up to you now.
I'm going for the 805. I'm down to 2 micros. I started with 10, so
Someone in the chat says how short. I'm very short. 5'6" short.
He's like 5'4". I was gonna say
5'6", 5'7.5" when I have my pumps on.
I was gonna say 5'6" with
Okay.
heels. 5'6" with heels.
They have those shoes for guys, like
they
the
do,
platform
they do.
shoes.
They do.
That's a new trend.
Listen, we're all tall depending upon who we're standing next to. You know what I mean?
This is true. Yep.
So,
I mean, the only thing that really sucks about being this short is when I go to concerts. I always have to pay a lot of money just to be able to see the stage. Where if you're over 6 foot tall, you can just kind of stand anywhere. And
hey, Pine,
I'm always having to pay way up.
Have you ever been to like a theme park and they're like, "Is he under 12?"
No.
That'd be
But
great. I would be like, "Yes, he is."
No, it was funny. The last time I was at Universal Studios, though, I was too tall to ride this particular ride, and it actually looked like a lot of fun. It was like these, I think it was in a Jurassic Park theme, and there was these swings, and it was kind of like a roller coaster thing, and it didn't look like a kid ride to me. And they said, "Yeah, you're too tall to go on this ride." I'm like, "What?" I go, "That's never happened to me."
Yeah,
Never ever.
that's a first. It won't be the last though. It's fine.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'm liking these shorts still.
Me
Yeah,
too.
shorts
I want to
looking
see
good.
that.
Mhm.
Yeah, I want to see that 850. Come on, I really want to see
Yeah.
that now.
If we can close below 90, which held us up here the entire time, I mean, come on. Let's get through that 90. We're 5 minutes from the top of the hour here, so got a new candle opening up on the 5 minute right now.
Oh,
Let's
and we
go.
have an inside bar that just closed.
Yep.
Inside buy. Let's see if it breaks to the downside.
Inside bar.
Inside bar.
Needs to break below 85.
This is just barcoding though.
It really is kind of tough
Oh,
action,
yeah.
but I think we have a good draw on liquidity, and that's usually what matters most. So we'll see. That 2 minute is just like a steel wall here. Just does not want to let it go. Get through
No.
there.
Come on, drop it now. Drop it as fast as possible. It's not dropping it. You got to do some magic. Myth, do something.
Woo!
That's all you can do.
Drop
really?
it now.
That's what you do at home.
That's all I can do.
Okay.
This is part of your magic sauce.
Usually what I do at home is like I tell one of the kids, hey, say it, tell it to go down. And the kid says, why?
Why? Yeah. Why?
It's the opposite. You have to tell it to go up and then it'll go down, right? It's opposite.
I mean, I guess. I don't know.
Oh,
Got a
I
little
definitely
trend
have
line.
those days where if I just faded myself, it's like it seems like every trade I get in goes right against me immediately. I'm like,
Come on.
what?
Yeah.
Like, how is
I've
it
had those
possible?
days too. Here we
Accelerate.
go. It's starting to go.
Come
It's
on.
looking like it wants to break the 15 orb on the sell side.
TP1 850.50 on me, and 806 is my second TP. So let's drop it NQ finally. Let's
going.
go.
It's trying to make its way down to VWAP
Beautiful.
also.
Smack that thing. Let's get down.
Smack that thing.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Go, go, go.
I really
Go.
kind of want to see some acceleration here. ES is really working its way through 67 already. We should pick up a little speed through this low.
Yes. Yes. It
Yeah.
should go through easily.
Here we go.
Come on.
15-minute orb. Come on.
It's teasing us, guys. It really does.
853.25 is the low on the 15-minute orb with the micros.
Hmm.
Go.
YM's just kind of hanging out. It's not really doing much, just chilling.
All right, I scaled out of one there. I'm going to go ahead and just hold the other till 745.
How many do you still have, Myth?
Just one now.
Okay.
Easy.
Should we do the
Come on.
roundtable while we're waiting? Because who knows? Maybe it'll barcode for the next 30 minutes. I don't know.
Yeah. Anytime. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do the roundtable. Are you guys ready?
Let's do
Let's
it.
go.
Let's go. Okay, today's topic. Let's start with a bias or react to price. Do you start your morning or your trading session with a bias like I'm thinking I'm only going to look for longs today, or no, I'm only going to look for shorts today, or do you just wait and see what the market does? Pine?
No bias. I really, really try not to have a bias. I hate having a bias. Although, like I said, I'm kind of, like I was talking about earlier, is like having those like days like today where you have a news candle. It's nice to have that data where you can say, well, we can target the high of this candle or target the low of this candle. But I really don't like having any bias, long or short. I see it way too often where, people got this really strong conviction, like, oh, the market's going to go up, going up. And, you're watching CNBC, and the next thing you know, the market's down 5%. It's like, so I just don't like having a bias whatsoever.
Pine says, no bias. I will not watch CNBC and get a bias. This is what Pine says. Myth, what are your thoughts?
I am kind of a little bit of both. I like to start with a bias, but if the market's not telling me that it's that my bias makes any sense, then the quicker that I can flip, the better, right? So like today, I'm kind of thinking we sweep sell side or buy side, and then we target sell side. Well, if the market gets above 30,000 and just keeps going and never shows the ability or the need to go to the sell side, then I'll just flip my bias at that point. So I kind of start with one. But I do find it much easier to trade if I'm able to kind of be a chameleon and flip it if I need to. So
That's definitely a skill. So you say yes to both bias, and then you're quick to flip. Tom?
I 100% agree with Myth. So really starting out the day with the bias, that's really not something I like to do. So I definitely put on some levels on the chart, and I like to see where the market is heading to. But it happens with me multiple times, and maybe that could be an error of some kind. I don't know. But so far, it was never an issue when getting those payouts. So having multiple levels, but trading without a bias. So absolutely, I have no daily bias, especially not in the London session. I just kind of have my levels, and obviously I'm reacting to the price. If it changes the direction, I'm just flipping the strategy, not the strategy, sorry, but the entry, and maybe reverse, and that's it. No daily bias for sure.
Okay. No daily bias and being flexible.
Yeah.
Next topic. So do you wait for multiple confluences, multiple confirmations, or do you just front run it?
Good question.
Oh, I'm kind of combining the two. Okay, Pine?
I like to, every time I try to front run an idea, I usually get smoked. So if I just stick to my edge, outside, inside bars, that kind of stuff, looking for that bear flag break. It's my strategy, my edge for a reason. It's like I really have to just wait for it and take it. Every time I front run something, it can absolutely just smoke me. And then, so I really have to wait for my edge. Matter of fact, I tell myself just about every day, it's like, be patient. So.
You got to wait.
Yeah.
Myth?
I think front running it in an eval is fine. If you're trading a funded account, you want to wait for multiple confluences there. But the thing is, it needs to be like maybe 1 to 3 maximum. If you've got 5 things that need to line up, 6 things that need to line up, you're never going to get a trade. So keep it very small, 1 or 2 confluences, maybe 3 at the most. But if you're on an eval, sure, there's nothing wrong with front running it. Get a better entry, and if it goes your way, great. And if it doesn't, no big deal. So.
Thank you, Myth. Tom?
Yeah, so I think we need multiple confluences there. I'm definitely needing those things, so I just can't front run. Although I like to think sometimes that I just look on the chart and I think this should be going there and there, but the thing is, I need multiple things to line up. Not like 5 different things, but at least 2, maybe 3. So closing above or below certain levels, seeing a specific candlestick formation. I need at least 2, maybe, as I said, 3 confirmations to get into the trade. So I need that. I just can't do it. Not even on the evaluation account, by the way. I tried to do front run it on evals. It wasn't looking good. So I got on tilt super early because, anyway, long story. So I need those confirmations for sure. Yeah.
Tom says, yes, must have the confirmations, which I'll ask you guys some questions about that later, because as a newer trader, it's like, what exactly do you look for? Like, what is confirmation? Great job, guys. Okay, we have 7 seconds left here.
My confirmation is just the Tom Sabo guarantee.
Yeah, that's exclusive.
VIP. Okay, let's skip on to the 4th topic, higher or lower time frames. So do you look at the 4-hour chart, the 2-hour chart, the daily chart versus trading strictly off of like the 5-minute or 30 seconds, 15 seconds in some cases? Tom, what do you think?
Oh, well, I'd like to say a little bit of both, but to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of staying on the lower time frames. Like, I know many of you might in the chat might gonna disagree with me. Obviously, I check the daily chart, but like, I'm not addicted to the daily chart or to the weekly chart. Like, I don't really care, but because all that I'm looking for needs to happen in that particular session. And of course, that could be like we're approaching a specific daily or weekly or maybe 4-hour level. What I'm checking is I'm scanning everything through, I would say, from the 1 minute up to the 1-hour chart. My quote unquote favorite higher time frame is the 1-hour chart, by the way. That does not mean I don't check higher, but I'm gonna stay with the lower time frames because that's it. I just like to go for that simple patterns on the lower time frame.
Okay, lower time frame, Tom says. Myth?
Well, it depends on how you're trading, right? If I'm someone that's looking for 10 points, why do I care about an hourly bias or an hourly time frame? So if you're scalping, lower time frame is the way to go. That's what I do. So I really could care less about anything above the 15-minute because I'm looking for 10 points, 20 points, 30 points. If you're intraday swinging and you're looking for huge moves, then yes, you need to be checking the daily, the hourly, the 4-hour, so on and so forth, because you're looking at a larger time frame to see where the market might go. But kind of just for me, for scalping, I really only care about this candle or the next candle, like kind of what it does there. So lower time frame for me is the way to go.
Lower time frame, and it all depends on how you trade.
Yep.
Pine?
I like to trade the 2 in the 5 minute. Some people say the 5 minute is a higher time frame. Personally, I don't think so. If you're above 15 mintes and higher, looking at the hourly chart, then to me that's the higher time frames. I like to just stick with the 2 and the 5. That's all I really need to catch my points. And every once in a while, I'll take a look at the hourly chart just for funsy. But really, matter of fact, I like to look at inside bars on the hourly chart, which is interesting. Every once in a while, if it breaks an inside bar on an hourly, it can set a little bit of a bias for the rest of the day. So, but for the most part, 5 and 2.
Great job, guys. I do see Elise Futures in our chat says higher for looking for direction and then entry on the 5 minute. So looking at a higher time frame and then going in with a smaller time frame. Yeah, it seems like that's really common. So on to the final topic. This one is a fun one. So it's CPI day. Do you think, give me your best prediction, do you think the day will end in red or green by the end of the New York session? And the winners get to be called King Tom, King Myth, King Pine Tree Trader, potentially the next time we all meet. So take your best shot, because you do not want to be the one that's like left out and not called a king. I will introduce you as king next time we all meet up. What do you think, Tom?
Oh my gosh. Well, as I said, CPI came exactly in line with the expectations. So inflation is still slowly cooling, which is generally positive for NASDAQ and gold. So I'm going to stay with that. I like to end up on the green side here, although we can sweep lower, but I want to see this market slowly creeping higher. Let's stay above 30K, or who knows, but let's just stay positive, and let's hope that NASDAQ is going to pull higher. That's why I want to see the markets in the green. That's it.
Okay, Tom says green. Myth, tell me what you think. Green or red, and why?
Well, Tom stole my answer. I'm going to go with green because we are almost 300 points above the open price. So I'm going to go with green. So that next time we need to be introduced, Tom can be Queen Tom, and I can be King Myth.
What?
Let's go.
We're going to talk about this later, Myth.
Myth, you're saying green also.
Yeah.
Okay, Pine, what do you think? Green or red, and tell me why.
I'm going to say YM's going to finish red. So I'm the only one predicting YM. So I will be king no matter what. No.
No, I can't. on NQ.
And NQ, yeah, everyone's favorite NQ. So I think I'm going to say red. It's going to start following YM. YM's going to push down into that open gap. I just know it. No, I don't really know. Not financial advice, by the way. I'm just going to say red. I'm going to go against the grain here. So
you're going to say red. Okay, let's do a poll. I'm curious to know what our traders think. By the end of New York session, will it be red or green?
All right, Terry, what's your prediction?
Oh, yeah, I'm curious about that too.
By the end of the session? By the end of New York.
Come on, come over here to the bright side. You know it. Come on.
I want to say green, but I'm going to go with red. I'm going to go with red.
I knew it. I knew it.
I know Terry's just waiting for the market to start selling off. She's got her finger on the trigger. She's like, I want to sell. I want to sell.
No, I'm still sitting in my short. It's
oh, yeah.
It probably will end green, you guys.
Well,
but that's okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. The poll's up. Everyone vote. I'll check in on that later.
ES came awfully close to that data wick there. It came within like 3 points of it. So
okay.
NQ did not come close to it yet.
Well, we're trading above 900 here, and it seems like it's kind of setting up for a support level here. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of interesting.
I'm still just in one
YM is
micro.
just pushing down. It's currently red right now, and it's just grinding lower. It's really no acceleration though. It's just don't know. It's a little strange. I figured that we'd have a little more acceleration today, but not yet.
We're just barcoding on NQ. We're still within that 5-minute orb range.
And the 5-minute chart looks awful. So I don't know what's it doing. It kind of feels like, I'm sorry for the shorts, but it kind of feels like that it wants to break above 30K at least one more time here. But yeah, 5-minute looks very bad.
I don't believe you.
Terry doesn't believe. It's hard to say anything in this market.
It's going that way. No, I'm still in my short. I'm about $60 underwater in each
But
account.
it also worth to mention, so we need to say that the news candle on the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart is like a bullish pin bar. So these kind of pin bars like to get completely repriced, like I would say 70% of the time. Maybe not in the next 10 or 20 minutes or hour, but maybe throughout the day or tomorrow. But this news candle, you know, especially when it looks like a pin bar, let it be a bearish or bullish, should get repriced. So who knows? Who knows? Anything could happen.
I was just gonna jump in on. I added right there, just kind of get my average up a little bit. So put us back in the green. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. You added Myth?
Yeah, I added, but I'm already out of the ad. So I just did a quick ad that would kind of move my average up a little. So
he's taking the risk.
Well, so we did a poll
bouncing off the view up.
Add.
So
we did a poll in the chat, and it says we asked the chat if it's gonna end red or green, and it's about 50-50. Red is got the slight edge, but it's about 50-50.
That's actually a good sign. That's a good sign there.
Yeah.
If it was skewed one way or the other, then we would know that whatever the higher percentage is would be wrong.
Oh, speaking of that, have you guys seen the market framework? I think that's what it's called. Let me pull it up. Have you guys seen this?
No.
No.
It's a MyFundedFutures partnership thing. I'm not sure all the details, but I saw Matt Leach tweet it out and was sharing this information with everyone. So there's this website that you can go to and you can actually see live in the very moment how the traders are positioned with MyFundedFutures, and it's split between profitable traders versus unprofitable. Versus unprofitable traders. That word is so hard for me to say.
I know, right? It is.
It's really hard. But yeah, it's really interesting because there's like divergences. Like you can see the traders who are making money, like let's say they're long, and then you can see the traders who are consistently losing money. And there's like this graph. It's really interesting.
We are at the bottom of the Sabo box here. Let's see if we can break out of it.
The Sabo box, he says.
The Sabo box.
Yeah.
It's been, listen, Tommy, every time I say it, you get 2 cents still. It's fine.
Well, as long as you really pay me in US dollars, not in Hungarian forints, that's fine.
Well, the here in the US, we've eliminated the penny. So.
Okay. Great.
Tough for you.
Yeah, it's a little bit tough. What's happening?
I found it. Okay, quick, you guys. I will show you this allow before we do our race.
When do we have it?
Is this it? Yeah, look at this. This is so interesting. It's called marketframework.com, and you can see where capital is moving, top traders, and how you stack up. So interesting. Let's take a peek here.
Everybody short right now? Let's see.
NQ, it says it's neutral.
Oh.
Positioning edge. Okay, this is it. Show me the divergence. Show it to me. There is a disclaimer, I think. Okay,
now, can I just search up Terry and see what position she's in?
Yes, you can.
Oh, no. To fade me or to trade with me?
No, to be with you. I need to follow you.
Aw, thank you, Myth.
We got to get it right.
Okay, so here it says live, next update. So in about 3 seconds, it'll update. And I just think this is so interesting. I haven't dived into this yet to like fully understand how to use it. But what do you think about that? Like, if you're able to see the traders who are consistently making money versus the traders who are consistently losing, is there an edge to that?
I don't know. I mean, I think there is. Obviously, you need some time to utilize the data, how you can implement it to your trading. It might not, I don't know. I don't know if it's better to use it for scalping when you only want to stay in the trade for like I don't know, like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever, or it should be better to be used on like an intraday swing position, or when you're that type of trader who holds the trade for like, I don't know, for 30 minutes or an hour or something, because I know we do have those traders as well. So that's the only thing I'm kind of thinking, like, is it something I can use for scalping purposes, or is it really better for intraday swing trading? Not sure.
Interesting. What do you think, Pine?
My brain always goes, I want to fade the masses. So that's where my brain always goes.
That's
I'm like,
a good approach. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, I want to fade it. If I see, the market's 70% long, it's like, I want to be the person in the short. And as far as traders go, I mean, even the profitable traders, they have bad days as well. So it's really tough to try to, you just gotta trade what you see and develop as your own trader in your own system. I think it's really, really tough. I never recommend trying to copy trade other people. I've tried to, when I first started trading, I said, well, maybe this will be an easier way to make some money, because I was kind of desperate. I was like, well, I just want to make some money trading. And so I would try to copy trade Tom Hugard or whoever. And guess what? It never worked out. I never made a dime doing it. I always lost money. I never like to try to copy anyone.
Don't copy anyone. Do your own thing.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
it's time.
Is it time?
It's time for the
Time.
What's
race.
happening?
Let's do the race.
Let's go.
Look at those
them
nice
lined up.
figurines there.
Go.
All right.
Where's
Which
Tom
one is
located?
I
I'm
want to
looking for
find
you,
you
Tom.
there. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Good
I
luck.
do not know.
What are these creatures?
This is a brain rot.
Yeah, but like, oh my gosh. Okay. By the way, it's really fun. I
There's
like it.
Pine. Pine's joining in on the race.
Oh my gosh. Top 15 wins, you guys.
I got to figure out how Pine does that. I need to do that.
And you must be present.
Okay. I do see we have a camel with a refrigerator. All right. Actually, two. There's the baseball bat. Okay. I like it.
Trader X to the front. He's got on some custom shoes. Quickly fell back to the back of the line though. Good guy trying to make his way up there. He's a
Ooh.
beaver.
It's happening. But don't worry, guys. I mean, it's always getting decided in the last few seconds. So hold on. Maybe
Got a
the
teapot
one,
up there. I
the
can't
one
see
who's
name.
last is going to be the first. Trust
Here
me.
comes. Is that a baseball bat holding
Yes,
a baseball
it is.
bat?
It
Let's
is.
go.
Hey.
Go, go.
Oh, there
Oh,
you go.
man. Congratulations, Ascrawl.
Congrats.
go.
Top 15 winners.
Top 15, JCB, Trading Germs. Chris? Or is that Kim? Deba Deep, Vanessa,
Let's go.
Let's
Wazzy.
go.
KJ, Sarah. I can't read that one. Systems. I don't know what that one says.
Congratulations
Rick,
to the winners.
Skip, Kim, and Ascrawl. I know I skipped one of
Mhm.
you, but it's fine. I tried.
Man, I get this
Perfect.
feeling that the market is just hanging on by a thread.
I don't know.
Yes. I'm
Yeah,
still in my
Terry likes
short,
it.
and I'll be called a queen.
Oh, yeah. Prepare yourselves, everybody.
No. Only Tom is the queen. You will be the king.
And she will say, kneel. You know,
I'll say, kiss my ring.
kiss the ring.
Little combo
Oh.
trade short. That'd be hopefully take out that low now, or the
What are
Get
you
that
targeting,
wick down
Terry?
here
Are you
at
targeting
850s.
Are you targeting the overnight low?
Oh no, the data towards the data candle low. So my TP is at 757.25.
Okay.
My stop is above high of day, which is 1 micro, so I can just let it swing.
So
I'm
it
putting in a
sounds like
sell. Yeah, go on.
757. Is that on the NQ chart? Because the MNQ's got it at 745. That must be
Oh,
the NQ.
yeah. So I don't have it exactly.
All right.
Like,
just make sure.
yeah, it's like about, yeah.
Front running
It's
it a
not
little bit.
exactly.
I got a sell limit at 86.25. If it pops into that very short block up there, I will jump in. If not, that's fine too. So should be going down. I mean, you know, who knows?
I do see that wedge pattern where it's like flats and then it's like this. Like that wedge pattern where it's just consolidating, but it's lean towards the sell side. I do like that.
Well, what I'm going to say is we're kind of generating liquidity to the upside, right? Some engineered liquidity to the upside. But I think that liquidity probably is going to be held for the sweep of the 745. So kind of like, we work our way down to the 745 and then you'll see that Hulk smash candle back through the highs, finishing green. And I will be king and Tom will be queen.
I know.
What? No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Then let's go down red instead. No problem. I got triggered into a short here. So yeah, let's go short. Let's go short.
It is a tall order for the New York session to end red, I feel like, because we have just been staying in the green.
What was the CPI
gosh.
numbers, Terry? I'm sure Terry knows. Was it positive or was it?
It was as expected, like on
As
the
expected.
dot.
Yeah. No surprise there. Yeah. So come on, just go below 50 now. That's what I want. I mean, let's see. The low was, what was the low? I need to check exactly. The low was 48.25 on the micro here, which is actually good because technically we didn't go down to 47, which is exactly the midpoint of the CPI data candle. So yeah, we can still go down, just to finish this up.
I think 52% of people voted for Red Day by the end of New York.
Oh,
They did.
They did.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. I think like 80% of days are green, if I'm not mistaken, right, over the last 30 years. Yeah, there's a stat out there. No, it's just true. Check it out. Check it out.
No, I have checked it out, Myth, and it's like about 50%. It's about 50-50. It's like a tiny like bit, like point, I don't know, 1% more green. Oh, we have a debate, you guys, between Myth and Terry.
Who's gonna Google first?
Okay.
Well, I don't have to Google. I can just go back 4 years ago and we were at 12,000 and now we're at 30,000.
No, but each day, surprisingly, okay, I have to Google this. I have to show you guys. Surprisingly, each day though of trading days, it's pretty balanced as far as what percentage actually ends green versus red, which tells us that on the green days, they just end up being much bigger. Yeah.
Let me see. I had the stat written down somewhere. Let me find it.
He doesn't believe me.
No, I mean I have it written down. I can't remember the it's either, I'm pretty sure it's over the last 30 years is what I had seen.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know about 30 years, but let's say over the past year or 2 years.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at a bigger time frame. It's fine. Who cares?
Yeah. No.
I care.
Terry cares. And I'm a little bit pissed off on this market. It should have dropped already. I'm going to hit the stop here, guys, at 20. It's still good. I'm still in the profit, but yeah, there you go. Stop hit.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, exactly. We'll get it next time. Myth is very happy.
No, I'm not. I just thought it was funny. I haven't heard that one.
Yeah, sure. I know. I just
heard that one.
Yeah, question is where to go now. Where?
Okay. This is over the past 2 years. This is AI. AI can be wrong. It's just pulling information from the web. Over the past 2 years, major stock indexes like the S&P 500 averaged roughly 53 to 54% green up days versus 46 to 47% red days. So we're both wrong, Myth. But it's pretty balanced, at least the last 2 years. But yeah, maybe the last 30 years, maybe it's different.
I don't know where I saw this stat at.
I know there was a cool stat, something about like when the market actually makes its gains, it's usually overnight too. But I'm not sure the statistic, but you would think it's like during the New York Open or whatever it is, but it's not. It's during the overnight where you get that push higher.
This thing's kind of breaking back to the upside here. Not a good look. Needs to kind of be a trap here, top of the box.
Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to wait for the next move because, you know, I just gave back some profits. I really got to think what I'm going to do next. But it does seem like we're heading higher here. Yeah.
Joey.
I'll look it up. I'll post it. I can't remember. I don't know. I'll find it. I did read it somewhere. I can't remember exactly what the exact...
Joni said there's a 80% chance that it goes to 50-50.
Why only 80%?
You can't trick
100%
me.
of the time. Ooh, look at this thing go, man.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah, there's 100% chance that it's going to go to the right, as we always say. So it has to go to the right side, and I'm always right about that. So this is the direction. Yeah.
And YM also kind of V-bottoming too, pushing higher.
Exactly.
We are still barcoding. I can't even believe this.
Yeah, very choppy session. Considering the CPI, I mean.
Yeah, and the 5 minute is really looking awful on NQ. It's just terrible. No clean direction. I don't even know if we're gonna see a trend happening in the AM. Who knows? Maybe you know, these are the kind of days when maybe the PM session is gonna have that trending move. Hopefully, I don't know. And we're just gonna barcode until lunch hour like this. Who knows?
Yeah, we did have a day during within this past week where we did not break out of the initial balance, which I thought was really interesting. It's very rare that we don't at least break out of it, whether it's on the upside or the downside. Today, I mean, I don't know. Do we just stay here forever?
Yes.
It feels like that.
Yeah, we stay here forever and ever and ever.
If price will never move outside of this range.
I just want to know what the catalyst is going to be to bring YM down. I still want that open gap.
Yeah, I don't like how we kind of trapped above once already, and now it's doing it again. I'm not a huge fan of that.
Yeah,
it feels like trapping people.
Yeah, it feels like a very, a scalpy day right now. I mean, you can catch your little scalps, little pew trades. That's kind of how it feels. Exactly. And then just be happy if you're green. It's like, well, be happy with it. If you're looking to swing down to that data low, then maybe just say, well, I'll throw on a few micros and place a stop up there and see what happens. But you never know. You never know.
Right.
So I found my statistic. I was wrong. The 80% is chop days. Not.
Yeah, it's
okay. 80% is chop day.
Yeah, so 80% of the days we chop, 20% are trend.
I believe that.
So,
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Interesting.
I mixed them up.
Thank you for sharing that with us,
say
Smith.
50. It says 55-45 green to red.
Okay.
So
what do you think? Last minute thoughts before we head out for the day, Tom?
I just want to say it was an amazing session. We had really good topics. Again, thank you so much, chat. Lots of energy. So, thank you very much for Methodical Man for always lifting the mood here. So thank you so much. And no, for everybody, of course, we had a great time. Thank you, chat.
Thank you, Tom. Myth?
Yeah, I had a great time today, guys. I do appreciate you all being here. And as always, what we want to do, because it's free, is hit the like button before the next segment.
Mhm.
Come on. We did just get over 300 likes, but we can do better than that. Let's get the
Let's
likes
go.
up there.
Thank you, Myth. Pine?
I would say if you're green, stay green. Maybe go take a break, come back a little bit later, let the market kind of pick a direction. And congratulations, Terry, on that amazing payout. That's not a small payout. So congrats on that. And if you pick it up any of those end of day rapids, use code YouTube.
Yes. Code YouTube. Thanks, guys. Thank you, traders, for joining us this morning. We will be back on tomorrow. Please welcome Ike and Corey. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Corey. Caca, we back. We back at it.
Man, bow, wow. Man.
Thanks to the roundtable, another amazing roundtable. Just love listening to that, even if I'm not trading at the time, but just having it on in the background. It's just, all traders feel and go through the same thing, right? No matter what we're trading, we all get that. And having 4 profitable traders talking about it, I mean, I love it. I love it.
Shout out to my brother Tom. Shout out to my brother Methodical Man, Pine Tree and Sis Terry, man. They doing their thing, man.
For sure. Well, good morning, chat. Let's get it, right? You get in any trades yet? Or, I like, when we trade together, I like to wait for you. You know what I mean? I like to wait for you. We do it together as a team,
You started that trend, so that's exactly what I did. I have not did nothing yet, man.
All right. Well, so chat, I'm going to do what I always do. I go to the 30-minute. I mark up support and resistance, drop down to the 5. I'm going to look for some entries and, of course, some ICT. Ask any questions in the chat. You got to know what's going on. Let us know if something's going on, right? What are you looking at so far?
Man, I noticed that we are just ranging in between this top of this 30-minute liquidity zone, this yellow box, and then this white line we keep respecting. It's like, I want to get on the bottom. I want to get on the top. So I'm gonna just wait to see, man.
That's it. Yeah. So it was a crazy CPI today, at 8:30, that candle.
Yeah,
crazy little move. We got some like a real big bottom, then breaking the high. So often on days like this, these both data wicks end up getting tested. We already popped the top. Well, are we gonna pop the bottom now? So I'm gonna be, it doesn't mean I'm only looking for shorts, but it's definitely a target that I got in my head, right now, like something I'm looking at.
From what I'm seeing, man, if you get to this top right here, I'm gonna take a sell. If you get to this bottom right here, I'm gonna take a buy. It's just ranging in between here, so why not?
Why not? That's the move. All right. Well, look, I'm gonna wait for I guess this 5-minute candle to close, because we're kind of right at my support resistance line. So you know me, when I see this big wick pause, when I see that, I'm looking to get that filled. So if I can get a closure around here and have that next candle kind of make a test to the resistance above it at the 920 level, I would look for a sell to refill this entire wick down. Like that's kind of what I'm looking for right now. But I need that closure. I need that 5-minute closure in order to make it happen.
Man, it's like the range, man. I'm not too good in the range, because I'll take the top and then it keep pushing. I'll take the bottom, then it go down. It's like, where do I get in? It's a circus.
So in a range, that's a good time to use like what I do with the stop orders. So instead of you getting in right when price hits the bottom, let it hit the bottom, and you try to get in when it's on its way back up. This way, if it does keep running, because eventually it always breaks out of the range.
Yeah.
If it does run, you're not involved then, right? Like, so that's kind of why I started using stop orders, for that same reason, because I like playing the range, but when you get burned bad, right? So,
We're gonna see. My bad, I cut you off, but
no. I was just saying I feel the same. A Diddy Gamer, what's up? What's good? Green putting some news in the chat over there. Iran has no money, faces 300% inflation. Okay, well, let's see what that means for the market, right? Yeah, see, price is filling that wick without me, it looks like, But at the same time, if now this candle, all right, I've got my eyes open on a sell here, but I need the candle to push up first before I can get into a sell. If I can get a push up to that EMA, looks like we're filling without me, And plenty of times I see what I believe will happen, like when I called this sell when it was a long wick. But I've got to wait for confirmations. If you just start going with, oh, I feel it now, it's like you can never really tell if you've got a profitable system, right? Because you're going, you need your execution levels, why you're getting into a trade, when you're doing it, so I had to wait for a closure. I'm still down for a sell. I need price to come up a little bit more to like the 900s, 29,900.
My bad. So I'm actually looking in to get into this. I'm gonna wait till the 1 minute candle in. I'm gonna look for a sell as well, brother.
I'm looking at the same thing. I'm putting in a sell stop.
I'm doing the same
880.
thing. I'm already in. It tagged me in by accident.
Oh, I'm in with you. Ooh.
And today, go ahead, brother.
I was saying I'm just really looking for this to fill the wick down here.
Same thing, man. And guess what? Today I'm taking profits. I don't care, man.
Nice. You got you're in at 890-ish or so. I got in at like 880. I got
I'm at
not a great
883.
Guys, keep in mind that end of day where Terry took out almost $8,000 from one day of trading. She did that in one day and she took it out that day.
Man.
Rapid end of day account. I'm telling you, it's right now. Code YouTube 20% off or so. Getting cooked over here. It looks like 20% off with code YouTube. Great time to pick up some of those rapid end of days where you could literally make $5,000, $2,000, $8,000 in a day and request it. I think up to 10K a day. So it's definitely a plan to mess with. This is on my funded account over here. I'm trading a funded here. I'm gonna take, if this turns into an L, I'll take a couple more on this funded. It did turn into an L for me too. I'm gonna take a couple more on this funded here. If I take another L here, I'm gonna switch to eval, because that's just the way I go. If I'm not feeling it, if I'm taking some L's, we switch it up. We don't keep it going. I don't go on tilt like that. But smash the like, share. I think we got a giveaway coming up soon. Let's see if we can catch an XCT.
Yeah, I ended up catching that L, so I'm gonna go to this. I got evals. So I'm gonna switch to this other eval as well, man. Wait to see. Man, can I not get cooked today? Boy, I got rotisserie last stream, man.
It looks like we're at the top of the range. It's like, but do I want to jump right back into a sell after I was just in a sell and got cooked, right?
Nope.
It's like, I think I got to wait for a little bit more of a push up to like the 940s, and then I might get into a sell here.
That's my next range, is right here at 953 at the top of this 30-minute liquidity zone.
I see it. Yep. It's funny. We mark up the same things. We just call it, we got the same markups in the same places.
That is crazy. What's up, chat? Hey, man, how many likes we at? Y'all go hit the like button for the round table this morning, and for the round table, the second round table, y'all. Y'all come on, man. Hit that like button for us, y'all. Greatly appreciate it.
Let me go check. I'm gonna mark up gold too, guys. So I'm gonna do a 30-minute on gold, and I'm gonna just see if we catch any opportunities on either one. It's not often I trade gold, but being that I do want us to catch some trades, and we're only together here for an hour. I figure let me mark up a little bit of gold too. I'm sure there's some gold. Do we have gold traders in the room? I mean, if no one trades gold, if you trade gold in the room, tag one. Let me see it. If you trade gold, pop a 1 in the room, so I know that it's something you guys are even into.
So I used to trade gold, but gold in Q is like bae, like wifey. Yeah. Gold, man, it's like to play house, and then like to go outside, run outside, do whatever, and then pop up months later. Hey, big boy, like, no, get out of here.
Get out of here. I learned my lesson with you.
Man, gold top ticked me and bottom ticked me so bad. I crashed out a lot with gold, man. I'm like, no, I'm leaving you. You a toxic relationship right now.
I see there are some gold traders in the room, so I'm going to go back and forth on it. I trade gold the exact same way. I mark up the 30-minute, I drop down to the 5, and I'm looking for closures and respecting support resistance, and exactly the same way. So right here, we pretty much closed respecting. I want to kind of see what this candle does first. before I get into anything. That's on gold. And NQ, man, we are in the range and we just got in at the bottom, both of us, you know?
Yep. Man, more power to you, man. I wish I could, but boy, I know if I go back to gold is gone, boy. Open, you know how like you used to be in that puppy love relationship where the girl have your nose wide open. That's
Yeah,
how
no, I know. I know, but you know, sometimes when NQ's not acting right, you know, you might have to
I wish. It's like I need to find me another pair just in case, but man, it's like YM don't do it for me. ES is kind of like NQ to me, so it's like I don't know.
I'm still open to a sell here on NQ, but I want this current 5-minute candle to kind of push up a little further first, like to the 940-ish area.
Yeah.
And that's what I'd like to get to a sell, you know? I think we could still move up a little bit.
Oh, let's see.
Let us see.
What a count them on.
Chat, if you're in any buys or sells on you know, gold or NQ, let me know. I want to see who's in what you're into, what you're going for, what your target is. We are going up. I mean, it does look like that. Since 10:30, that 10:30 candle, we have started pushing back up. So, and this is also why I didn't want to get into the sell. Even though we are in this like clear range, it's like I kind of want to test this yellow, which is like these rejection, you know, like price comes here, it ends up going back down, right? Anytime price came into these 935 areas, we pushed down, right? And then we pushed all the way down to you know, to the 850s. So right now, that's kind of what I'm looking for. I want price to push back into those 935s, 940s, and then look for a sell to come back down.
Man, I'm almost like sold on buys to go up here to this liquidity zone, but I want to get in at a perfect time if I can. I'm not in none yet, but thought about it. Man,
Get into a gold buy. I might get into try a little gold buy over here. Let me see.
You officially been chopped and screwed, screwed, chopped and screwed.
Let's see. I got a buy stop over here just to kind of we're kind of respecting on gold. We're respecting the support right now, and so I'm kind of looking at us to keep respecting it and fill that range back up. So I got a buy stop on gold. Let's see what's going on. You got any orders in or waiting on it?
I'm waiting, man.
All right. I'm in on a gold buy right now.
Okay.
Nothing crazy. Couple micros. And I'm gonna go back and forth on the NQ still to see if we can catch a setup or not.
Man, what's some other pairs you be trading other than like gold, NQ? That's it?
I don't go on ES or
yeah, I don't need
ES, YM. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just like I feel like even one pair is kind of enough.
Yeah.
You know, so sometimes maybe one extra one to add in, but trading ES and NQ, it's kind of the same, right? It's like a little different, but they pretty much move together, just maybe a little slower or quicker. So if I'm looking for a setup on NQ, I would imagine that same setup is showing up on ES and on YM, right? Getting a little push here, up 3-4 points on that. I'm gonna let it keep going though. Let's see if we can get at least to the 486 and change, and then I might move stops to break even or trail stops. But
so I got in on a buy on MNQ right quick. Okay. See if we can buy up there, man.
And guys, we got a giveaway still, guys. So stay tuned, share the stream, like it, subscribe to it, tell your mama, your brother, your sister,
do. Yep, you heard it right.
We got that.
Do.
Guys, form in the chat. Let's get it.
I took a little small profit on that, about $40.
Nice. Cha-ching. You know what? In honor of that, I'm gonna move my stops to profit here a little bit.
Oh, that was $25. My bad. I'll take it in this mess.
So I put my stops up a little bit here. You know, There you go. Got it. Quick little fitty. All right.
That's what's
Quick
up.
little,
Nice, man.
Little bits. Little money here, little money there. Go back and forth to NQ. What are you looking for still? A buy up on NQ? I want that sell. I just need it to come up a little bit more. 10 more points up, and I would be looking for a sell.
I'm looking for another buy. I'm actually finna put another buy in. Let me see. I'm gonna put a buy stop up here. So on the 1 minute time frame, I'm looking for it to break finally and give me a little bit of profit. We'll see. I ain't got tied in yet. I'm looking forward to come up here to this this liquidity box.
Yeah, that's kind of like what I'm waiting on it, but yeah.
I got tagged in.
Nice. Yeah, and I'm also looking for my Ike CT entries, but you know, on those 15 minutes, I need at least 20 point bodies. And if you look at the last bunch of 15 minutes, they've been you know, 10 points, 890, you know, 15 points, really nothing crazy. I need like a real move over here. But this 15-minute wick, oof, tell you, if we could get one more break of this high, I would look for a sell. But I need it. Go back to gold check. Gold kept running. So as usual, I trail my stops. I get tagged out early. Price might keep going in my direction, might not. Doesn't matter to me. You know, once I'm out of it, once I get my money, no rear view mirror or take my L, either one. I don't care what happens after.
Yeah. What are you gonna do, man?
What are we gonna do? All right, let's see how we looking here.
It's like trying to go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say I think we could get one more, break it at high to like the 936s before we push down. That's what I think, you know, that's what I'm waiting on. So I think you should be hopefully good, right? Big push up there.
It's like trying to squeeze $1 out of a dime. Dang, I'm out of that.
Yeah,
I'm out. Yup. Man, this chop is serious.
I might try to jump back into this gold buy. You know, I took a quick like $60 on that. I might just try to get into another little gold buy over here to fill that wick back up. We'll see if I get back in it. So I got a buy stop on gold on if this candle flips. If it keeps going and breaks the low, I'm just going to cancel the order.
Hey, the market right now is the nasty face. Is them boiled eggs? Rotten eggs? Somebody pass one?
Man,
oh my gosh.
This is not on easy level right now. Yeah, you know, after a CPI day, normally it finds kind of like a direction and goes. But right now, we are not finding a direction and going. We are like pushing up 50 points, pushing back down 60 points, pushing up 60 points. You know, it's like, it's just chopping. We're just getting chopped. You know, let's see. I'm still liking the shorts. I just need an entry, maybe another closure. But I mean, it's 15-minute wick all the way down to 828. You know, like I just need an entry on that. I just need another push up before I can get in there. Yeah. Asbada says big chop man. Don't just avoid, don't trade. You're not wrong. You're not wrong, you know, and I am holding back a little bit, you know, because there are some trades here, but you're right. This chop, it's like it's not worth blowing an account to try to make something happen here, right? Like it's not worth blowing an account. So we'll see. I'm waiting for the setup. We're waiting. We are just waiting. I'm open to my Ike CT trades if I can get a nice. You know what? That one's not bad right now. The current 15-minute candle is not a bad Ike CT. Let's see, 925. All right, I'm gonna give it a. I'm gonna put an order in there, and we'll see.
You on NQ or
on NQ? I'm gonna do a quick buy for, you know, those 4-point scalp at 890. So I'm gonna be looking for 890 and really just break it a low and a pull back up. Just some more chop, really.
What's crazy is I'm thinking about getting in the same order, but coming to grab the bottom of this wick in this liquidity zone. So you're trying to get it for a quick buy. I'm trying to get it for a quick sale, and right around the same time. Dang, I missed it. Look.
Oh, in and out. I'm in and out.
Oh,
Quick W. Quick
man.
W. Quick W.
That's crazy. Look, I thought about it, but did not. Come on, man. Come on, man. Push
There we
the
go.
button, man.
Push the button. Come on. Come on, push the button.
There we go. See, this is that 15
Dang.
minute I was eyeing. Look at that wick getting filled.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Man, if only it could have broken that high one more time, let me in. What are you going to do? But that's why I trade the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Because if I miss my option, if I miss my entry, it's another 5 minute candle until I can find it again, right? So that's another reason why I'm trading a smaller time frame, is so because every candle can give me another opportunity or another entry. See, I might do another little buy limit right here, another ICT at the bottom of this candle. See if we can catch another one.
Man,
So you just took
waiting.
profit on that. Quick W on that, right?
No, I didn't get in.
Oh, you didn't get in? Oh, it's
No.
too quick.
Like as we was talking about it, I seen this flag right here, man. It was a beautiful flag to the downside, and it just I did not take it. Look at that. That's beautiful, man.
Let's see.
I didn't get it.
I'm in a quick little buy here, but we are not looking good right now for me. But this is ICT. You will be in drawdown in ICT. It does happen. We don't like it, but it's part of the game. If anyone's looking for that 100% win rate guarantee where you're always in the green and everything gets called perfectly, that's another dubs right there. That
Nice,
doesn't exist.
man.
The sooner people realize
Jeez.
that, the sooner you realize there is no foolproof strategy and there's no holy grail, and the real holy grail is you controlling yourself is the holy grail. The sooner you realize that, the sooner you'll become profitable, because it takes a long time for people to realize, like, the market is not like a program where someone has the code and can always be profitable. There's no such thing. Believe me, there is no such thing. So, you know, the sooner you say, okay, I have a strategy. The strategy does take L's, but it can recover from the L's. That's a winning strategy. That is all you need.
Bro.
Oof. Okay, 10:52. You know, we're coming up on that hourly candle. I am not a big fan of the hourly candle, just because when you're
52.
trading with minis and stuff, you don't want a 25-point move in the wrong way. Just sitting there, right? Oh, I still got my buy stop on gold that didn't get filled. I'm gonna just move it a little lower because I'm still into it. I still like it. But here you see why I take my profits early on gold too, because gold totally came back around from where I took my money. So I took my money on there. Boom, boom, boom. In the first trade, go ahead. Sorry.
You good. I'm just hesitating. When I want to get in, I'm not getting in.
Yeah, my first trade today was an L, which happens. And when I trade negative RR, which means I pretty much need 3 or 4 wins to make up for that L. But let's go. Let's push.
Really get in, man.
Mr. Delusional saying just short it. I mean, that's exactly what Corey was doing, right?
I just took a L trying to short that, man. Man, dude, hey, market makers, help a brother out, please.
Market makers, what are you guys doing? You're watching the stream. You told me I gave you guys all this money, and you guys told me you were going to cover the stream for us. You were going to be watching our trades, making sure everything works out the way it's supposed to. What's going on over here? Don't make me dispute charges. She, you know what I mean?
Good grief.
Can't believe it. Can't believe it.
Let's go to this one.
All right, we still in it. I still have this gold buy stop over here. We are respecting this support. Now, we are getting close to 11 o'clock, probably another 2 minutes or so, and I'm going to cancel these trades and wait for that 11 o'clock candle. Man, we are pushing here.
I'm waiting, man, because I got in and then look what happened. Yep.
I'm going to try one more ICT on the bottom of this range over here for another quick 4 points. Oh, by 1 tick. Let's see. That hourly candle's coming up. I am aware, so I'm gonna. Oh man, I'm gonna cancel this ICT in 1 second because that was my pullback I was looking for.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, I'm in it. And I'm out. That's 3. That's 3. So chat, you see how quick those ICTs are, right? And you might be like, that's not real trading. You're only going for 4 points. It's not. Hey, in one candle, it's just this one 15-minute candle. I did 3 trades for $80 each. Okay. Now I'm no mathematician, but that's like 200 and change right there. So if not real trading is making 200 and change on one 15-minute candle, then call me a not real trader. Just don't call me not profitable. You want to call me not real trader? Fine. But call me a profitable not real trader. Okay? Because that's what we're trading for. Now, I'm sure chat is like, hell, isn't that micro scalping? Isn't that micro scalping? Great news, guys. You buy evals with MyFundedFutures, code YouTube. There's no time limit on your trades. It's just ticks. They want at least 4 ticks on a trade, so you avoid micro scalping. And guess what? I'm going for 4 points. I'm no mathematician, but it's more than 4 ticks. So if you could make 200 and change on one 15-minute candle, and I'll switch accounts, right? You just made 200 and change on this account, go to another account or copy trade the account. Now it's 400 and change. But you don't need to call a 50-point move to be a good trader. You don't need to catch the entire range to be a good profitable trader. You can take one candle, scalp points on it. I mean, I made 12 points on that. 12 points on one mini. How is that a bad day when you could do that in 15 minutes? I mean, right? Tell them.
Let's go, man.
That's it.
All right, let's get in for a sale, man. I'm gonna go again, man. We seem like we creating this flag again, going to the downside. We're going to see.
Yeah. See, my only problem with a short here, besides that, it's almost
the hourly candle.
Yeah, the hourly, and like on my chart, you see that's kind of where I have the next bouncing liquidity zone. You know what I mean? Like I have them really all the way up at 939-ish and then back down here at the 845-ish. So I kind of want to break through that 845 before getting into a short. Just because that's like my support. And look, my gold buy is still there. I'm canceling it now. But I had a buy stop there for the last 10 minutes on gold. Nothing doing.
Boy, it's like playing with fire, boy. Man, I'm out. Ugh.
I see Sia trades in the chat. What's good, Sia? Always great to see you.
Hey, I'm finna go high right quick.
Okay. Yeah. They can't see you there. You should trade from your phone from there. That's why they don't know what's going on. I see someone in the chat saying, we're consolidating. Why long?
No, leave me alone. No.
Market makers. Corey's not here. You can stop watching his chart, okay? He's not here.
No.
I don't see anything. That's it. Damn. The memory eraser. You're right. Hey, Mark, this is just for the market makers. If you're not a market maker, look away. Hey, guys, market makers, right here. Look over here. Thank you. Oh. All right, we back at it. We're good as new right now. We are good as new. Let us go. We are good.
Say what? Huh? Huh?
Exactly.
What happened?
We're back. Nothing happened. We're back to normal. Nothing happened. We're at the bottom of the range here, so but right now that 11 o'clock candle is coming, so I gotta wait. You know me, I gotta wait.
Yeah, you know what, babe? I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. You know. No, see. Right now, I don't need to be seeing the markets right now. See, I need to be playing my piano right now. You know. Oh. I need to be playing something else because the markets is not working right now, y'all.
Just hitting buy, hitting sell.
Oh my gosh, man. Well, hey, we just gonna try to make it do what it do, baby. Because the markets is treating us so ugly right now. My boy, Forex. What should a brother do right now?
You can't see and I can't hear. What?
Oh my gosh, huh?
What?
Right now, I'm so lost. I'm in the lost and found.
Man.
Whew. We gotta do something during those hourly candles, right? We gotta do something.
Yeah, man.
Let's see. Let's see. Man, these chop days are chop days, you know. I'm right now, I got my eyes still looking for a buy, mainly because we're respecting this support at 845 that I drew out. So if this candle is coming down to touch it, I just want to wait another like minute into this candle. I don't like getting right in on that hourly. If this candle comes down a little bit more, I would put a buy stop at the top of this candle, pretty much waiting for the candle to flip and then take me with it to come back to this next yellow, because I feel like we do this all the time when we're streaming. We see us going from the yellow to the yellow to the yellow to the yellow to the yellow, right? Like they're giving you the game plan. Now, that's why I do my buy stops, because if we do keep selling, I don't want to be in that. But I am looking for a buy here in another minute. I just want this first minute of the hourly candle to play out a bit, you know?
Don't ask me what I'm looking for. I'm just looking.
Yeah, if this candle could push back down, break its own low, I'm gonna put in a buy stop. But I need this candle to just do one more retest. I'm not totally sold that we did the retest yet. Yeah, Dream Team is saying buys. Let's go. Yeah, Dream Team. If I was trading a couple micros, I might have already jumped into a buy here. But because it's minis, I gotta wait for it, and I really want one more retest, and I don't want to be in a buy at 870 while we retest 845. You know what I mean? And if that means I miss out on this trade, that's fine. I'd rather miss out on a W than catch an L. You know what I mean? Miss me with that. You know, miss me with that L. So
I feel like if I get in, it's gonna hit stop loss and then continue to go the other way. Man, it's one of them days again, man.
Let's see. Well, what are you looking for? Are you looking more here for a bounce back up, or are you looking for it to kind of continue down and fill that 830 wick, or even the 1030 wick all the way down here at 830s?
I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for. Ray Charles.
Do the mess around. Everybody do the mess around.
I'm looking for the mess around.
Mess around. I think we got that mess around.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, chat, you know, part of trading is patience. And if you can't wait for the race and the giveaway, how are you going to pass that account, right? What's the point of getting a free eval if you're going to blow it right when you get it? So if you don't have patience to wait for the race, how are you going to have patience to wait for your setup? So everyone, woosah, you know the race is coming within 20 minutes or so. You know that already. So just get more people in. The more people in, the more accounts, the more everything, you know?
Y'all go hit the like button.
Exactly. Now look, price has been starting to push down again. Remember, that's why I said I don't want to get right into a buy yet when we go to retest. But now that we're pretty much breaking or coming close to breaking the low, there we go. We broke its own low. That's kind of what I was waiting for. So if I said that's what I'm waiting for and I get it, right? Now it's time for me to do what I said I would do. So I'm going to put a buy stop now. Buy stop over here on the flip of the candle. You know, I'm not getting the sniper entry here down here in this zone. I'm not getting that sniper entry. I'm waiting for price to come all the way up here. And my thought is if it comes back up 20 points to get me in, it will continue going up. Now, if it keeps pushing down, I just cancel this order and I was never in it. So that's kind of how I played a range with the stop orders. Instead of saying, oh, it's going to bounce here because it always does, I'm more like it should bounce here because it always does. So let me get in second place pretty much if it's going to happen, you know, like I come in second place here.
So I'm looking for this to get broken, this low to get broken for a potential buy pressure. Let's see if it just shoots straight through it. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah.
You know me, I see those wicks. I'm just waiting on it to get filled.
Yeah.
I'm always like, you know. So, but I just got my buy stop here at 62. So I would need price to still flip another 15 points to get me into this trade. You know, people say buy low, sell high. I buy high, but I sell higher. You know what I mean? I'm not smart enough to buy low, but I could buy high and get out high. You know what I mean? Happy birthday to all the birthdays in the chat. Baba Trades NQ. Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday, Baba.
Happy birthday to you, brother. Shout out to you, man. What you gonna do on your birthday, man?
Baba, what you got planned? I'm about to rizz up this market right now with the cologne again. That cologne move was working for me last week.
Oh man, catch that joker. Let's go, man. I feel like Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. I can't catch nothing.
Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon.
So I'm still got this buy stop. I still got this buy stop here. We got to come up another still 10 points to get me in. And again, guys, this is what I was talking about before. I like the buy, but I didn't want to be in this drawdown of 40 points, right? So I'm waiting. Let's see if we can get this big push candle right now. Is what I'm looking for here to get me back, get back in it. Oh, Bushido Trades is handing out cake to everyone in the chat. Thank you, Bushido. Giving slices everywhere. Wow.
He said he handing out what?
Cake. I see him slices of cake.
Cake.
Here's a slice. Cake.
Get a slice. Cake.
It's not even my birthday.
Cake. That's funny.
Let's see. Oh, I'm in this trade now. Let's see. I'm going to trail aggressively over here, especially once we get to these wicks. Let's see if I get up to getting there. Okay, we're a little bit up there. I'm not going to move stops yet. $65 in profit. 135. All right. Now I'm moving 195, 190, 240, 285, 280, 230, 260, 270. 105, 235, 235, 185, 185, 235. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Not financial advice.
Hey, what do you got over there that I need, man?
Shit.
Is it the cologne?
I think I got it's the cologne. I'm gonna get your address. I'm gonna send you some cologne and some silk PJs, and then we'll go do a stream together. And silk PJs and cologned up, and we're just gonna riz this market.
I seen that. I seen the silk PJs, my guy.
Sir.
Shout out to you. I saw that.
You get it. We
That's
gonna do it.
up,
It works.
Man.
It works. You just feel more
man.
in tune with the market because you just feel like more like, slippery.
I saw that, man.
So chat, that last trade that we just did here for 11 points, right? I broke that down from 10 minutes ago, right? We started that trade idea at like 10:55, and I said I needed to push down, and then I'd put a buy stop, right? We waited 7 minutes for that push down. It was after 11. Then I put the buy stop. Then we waited another 5-6 minutes until that buy stop got activated, trailed stops, and we made a quick like 230 on that, or 240, right? It was total breakdown, and that's the way I trade throughout the day. So even if our hour together between 10:30 and 11:30, we don't catch a bunch of these great setups, you can do this during Asian session. It's great during chop. You just wait for what you want. That's the key, just like winning this race coming up. It's the patience, right? I wanted to buy, but I knew I had to wait for it. And we waited for it, and we got paid another 200 and change. I
don't know what. I gotta wait on this 5 minutes, see what's gonna happen first.
Let's see. We've got an Ike CT. So no Ike CT guys yet either, because this candle isn't 20 points, right? It's pretty weak one. But look, see this last Ike CT, this last 15 minute, 924 down to 867. Big one I caught 3 on, right? And the one before I caught 1 on. So it's, the money's out here, guys. The money is here. Let's see. So, the trade I got out of, I closed at 874. We're at 871-ish. So really nothing crazy. If I would have held it, I'd still be in the same. I'd really be exactly where we are now if I still held this trade, right? Ashok said this week's profit's gone. Hey, Ashok, it's only Wednesday. You can, it's not over yet. Okay, this week's profit. So Monday, Tuesday, you built profit. Wednesday, you lost it. Thursday, Friday, let's build it back, right? It's not over.
So I got a 5-minute buy signal, man. This is my setup. I'm gonna just go for it. This is it. I gotta take it.
Jumping in a buy?
Yeah, I gotta take it, man. This is my setup. quiet as a mouse right now for me.
Today we did I took 3 ICTs and 2 support and resistance trades. I'm 1-on-1 on the support and resistance, 3-0 on the ICT. Now look, I like trading support and resistance more because it's kind of more fun and you think more and you kind of find the bottom and the top. So it's more, I guess you could say, fulfilling inside, but ICT is more profitable. Like, so I end up doing ICT more because I make more money with ICT. A quick 4-point. Oh, look at this push, bro. They're watching. The streets is watching. I thought they were stopping. I think we got to wear disguises next time. That's it.
Man, maybe I need to dress as Unc because I did great with Unc, man.
Grab the wig real quick.
Oh
it's
my
just us.
gosh.
Move on. We're just trying to make retirement money here. Guys, we're trying to make retirement money. Okay? We just want to make some retirement money here. I'm still liking the buy. We're respecting I might get into a buy stop over here if this candle flips, because I'm still liking the buys too. As long as we respect that 846 level.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see. This is a great time for it to bounce.
A doo-doo-doo.
Doo-doo-doo.
Thank you. Hurry up, change the screen.
We got a race coming up.
Yes, let's do the brain rot. Is it the brain rot?
I don't know.
Yep, it sure is.
Okay. You know everyone's name. Oh, I'm in a trade too. I'm in a buy while we're in this race.
Let's go.
Oh, let me put on my disco lights. Hey.
I need some help to forget about all the bad things that's been going on today. Come on, brain rot. Brain rot. Brain rot. Brain rot. Two, shoo, pee. Two. Oh,
we got reading the numbers. We got coffee cup. Oh, tung is there. Oh, it's Elefanto. Arangino Bapatino. Cappuccino ballerina. Oh, foot tea kettle. Futures one pro. Futures. Oh, we got the final 10 seconds coming up. Final 10. What do we got? Oh, we got Bamba della Cacadella. We got Rhinoceros Rostarino. Crocodilo Bombadillo. Elefanto Bombadillo. It's Crocodilo Bombadillo. Banana Delfanina. Cactacito Bombadillo. Cactacito.
Who won?
Clarity Trader.
Congratulations, man. Shout out to Clarity Trader. Let's go,
Clarity. All right. Wow.
How many people won?
Oh, we got a top 15. Top 15. Players.
Let's go. Okay, I got you, man.
15. Guys, I was in a buy right when that race started. I trailed pretty quickly, made a quick $90 on it. Price is still running up over there, but did a quick little dub on that bounce.
Guess what, brother?
You did the same.
I won a trade and won 250 finally.
Let's go.
Finally. Yay.
That's it. I'm putting on the green lights. We got the green lights on.
Oh
now.
my God.
We're going green. Yeah,
Man.
So this was that trade I got in right before, and chat, this is what I'm always telling you. I know it sounds so simple that people say it can't be real. It's too simple, right? We've just been going yellow, literally yellow to yellow to yellow, right? And I'm using buy stops so that I don't get, buy before I'm ready. But I mean, this is why I do the buy stops. I had a buy stop here. So if price would have broken down and keep going, I just cancel the order. I'm never involved, right? But chat, I feel like this is almost every Monday and Wednesday we talk where we just go bouncing yellow to yellow. I mean, ranging is a great time to make money, especially if you're just looking for 4 to 5 to 10 points with one mini. That's $200, 10 points,
Oh boy.
Let us see.
No, it's not been perfect. Did you hear that?
Man. Congrats to the winners, top 15. Now listen, you guys, when you pass an eval, you gotta tag Corey and I on that. You know, saying you won it during our stream, tag us on it, let us know. We love to see that. We love to see people winning, man.
Hey, when you get it, y'all get it to a payout, man. I want to see somebody make some money, man. Get that money sent to that bank account in like less than a minute from MyFundedFutures, man. Let's go.
So I'm still open to the buys over here just because we haven't gone all the way back up to the 930 area. So I'm still open to a buy, but I kind of want a little bit more of a push down before I put a buy stop. That's not a bad push down there, but this wick is scary. I'm scared of these big wicks. Pause. I'm scared of that.
I'll say that one for you.
Thank you. Yeah, we couldn't say that one quick enough.
Hey, I'll drink to that with the MyFundedFutures cup.
Yes,
we'll drink to that. Shout out to MyFundedFutures. Cheers.
All right, let's see. I'm still looking for a buy here, but the only thing holding me back is this big wick. And so what I'm looking pause. Thank you. Yes. We're gonna have to have that in a drop.
Yeah.
If that gets filled or even halfway filled, like down to the 860s, I would put a buy stop all the way here at the 870s or so to flip up. Let me also check the 15 if we have a possible ICT. No, we do not. We do not. I need that 20 point. I need that 20 point candle for it. 880s. Nah, we are not there. Okay, this could be the start of that push down we were talking about. And if we get down to this 865 area, 864, 865, I'll put a buy stop at 880s to fill the range back up.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I do like this small 1 minute buy, but it didn't come down here though. Nah.
Ooh, I'm in a buy. Whoop, up 50, up 15, up down 45, down. Wow, that really just took me.
Happened fast.
Ooh. I just got like rocked. It just like pop, pop.
Yeah, gotcha. I saw that, man.
Just threw me. It was like I was walking down the street. Just threw me in the back of the truck. Man. Like, what just happened? I'm like, where am I? All right, let's get this push back up. Break this high so I can trail this. Let's go. Let's get a push up here. 20.
Nice
20, 25,
push, man.
20,
Nice
25,
push.
20. Let's see.
Yeah,
we got 15, minus 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus 20, minus 10, down 5, up, we're up 10, Let's see. I gotta get this. I want it to kind of fill its own, break its own high, and then I would move my stops up there. Looking for a break of its own high. It's like toying with me. Up 20, down 20, down 55, up 5. Give me that up 150. You know, give me that up.
Yeah, that real quick push.
Exactly. Let me get it up 150, and then let's see. Oh, yeah. I will be trailing stops if I get the opportunity to, right? I'm not sure I'll get the opportunity. Here's that. It's a clincher. It's a clincher, boys. Boys, it's a clincher.
Oh my gosh, man.
All right, let's just chalk this to an L. I could see it. I smell it. I already smell it. I smell this L.
I'm thinking about it, but jeez. It didn't left without me though.
I'm still hoping for this push. I'm hoping. I'm calling JP Morgan, whoever I gotta call, Mr. Fed, chairman of the board. I need this just to quick push up to 890s. You give this a push up to the 890s. Let me get this money here. This way, you know, it's a nice trading day. I can move on to another account during eval and we could call it a day. What do you say, chairman? You just send it up to 890 for me one time, okay? Thank you. Let me go. Got to riz this market up real quick.
Man, I'm on this.
Come on.
The Riz is real.
The Riz is real. I need it.
Actually, brother, I got to get in on this supply and demand with you. I'm in the buy as well.
Let's go.
I'm in the buy as well. Let's see what we can get.
Prosh in the house. What's up, Prosh FX? Always great to see you too over here.
Dang, that's nasty.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can end on a positive note over here. You know, my IXCT has been crushing it. My support and resistance has been lacking. My support and resistance has been lacking today.
That show did look good. I missed it though. I should have got in right here. Then I would have got it. That's when I should have got in.
Still in it, but in heavy drawdown, like ready to take this L already.
If this thing gonna keep going down, why not? It's too small, man.
Yeah, and you know, I like to relook at my trades after I take them, especially when I'm in drawdown and have time to think. You know, like, what did I do wrong here? Did I do something wrong? And really here, I couldn't move my stops any quicker because I really didn't, you know, I was only like 4 points in profit. It wasn't enough. So it's like, I can't be upset here. Like, you know, I took this trade. If it doesn't work out, which, I mean, now that it's not working out, but yeah, can't hate on it because I would have taken this trade every time. Would have taken it every time. You know.
What we on the tree? What we doing? See, we up under that 9 EMA though, man.
Oof.
Oh, right when I was getting ready to get in again. Dang.
Ouchie.
All right, man. Pull the trigger, man. Oh, man, it's leaving me. It's all good.
Ouchie.
It's all good, brother.
That's what we call an ouchie. I was on top and lost and placed on top 20. Damn, Ali, I know how that feels. That's the thing, Ali. On those races, you don't even want to see your name up there until the last like 10 seconds, right? Because everything changes in the final 10 seconds. Nice little bounce over there on that liquidity, huh?
I was looking for the sales to go down there, man, but I'm looking for this wick field down here. That's what I'm trying to get in at. Now we got the pressure that we need. I'm gonna have to wait. I can't do that. I got a 3-minute candle that I could possibly get in on. I'm waiting for it to tap and then continue down. If it go fill this wick, I ain't getting in.
Let's see how we looking on a 15. You know what? I think I could get into a little IXCT action maybe on the 15. Let's try that. I'm gonna try a little IXCT scalp here down here if I could catch it. Might be too late. Might be too late for it. Yeah, that's right, guys. If you didn't win today, there's giveaways every day on the stream, multiple times. So, you know, you didn't win today, no biggie. You make sure you're subscribed, liked, and you'll get the pop-up, the notification when we stream again. It's every day they're giving away stuff. So you didn't catch it today, no biggie. You catch it tomorrow, next day. No shortage. There's no shortage of giveaways at MFF.
I'm on the 3-minute time frame. I'm looking for a gap fill and continue down, man. Gonna see if it'll tag me in.
So you're so you need a push up and then a pull back and then you
I'm gonna wait. If it go fill that wick, I just won't get it.
Let's see. Ooh, again, by like a tick or two, I didn't get in that one.
What you gonna do, NQ?
Well, let me go check gold now again. Okay. Gold really hasn't done much. Oh, see, am I gonna get filled on this? No, not yet. Not yet.
We got 361 likes, y'all.
Oh,
good job on likes today. Yeah, we can definitely get up.
Can we get it up before the end of the stream? Can we do it? Oh, there's that one tick away from getting me in again. No, that was 75.
Oh,
Man. So close to another Ike CT. Bread5646 asking if he won the race. If you don't know, you might not have won the race, Bread. Let's see.
trying to see if we can get a nice little dub before we get off
I
stream.
just got in
You
a
tagged
quick
in?
Ike CT. Yep, I'm
You
tagged
tagged
in on
in?
Ike CT here. Let's see.
Ooh, that's
There
nice.
you go.
Another
There you go.
dub.
Quick four. So again, chat, that's why I'm saying, like, people don't like to trade ICT because it feels too robotic and you don't put enough effort or thought into it. But like, do you want to just get money without the thought and effort, or do you want to have your thought and effort and hopefully get money? Because look, my support and resistance, I'm 2-2, right? 2 dubs, 2 L's today on support and resistance, which is an L, by the way, because I always risk more than I could win. So my support and resistance stays as a total W. I mean, total L, but on Ike CT, 4-0 on $80 trades. That's $320 from Ike CT. So if I was just like, I don't need to be perfect in figuring out tops and bombs. I just want to trade these 15-minute candles, these quick little pullbacks. I would just be up 320 on the day, 360 on the day, and chilling. Right? So it's like, that's the thing. When people don't want to try a strategy because they feel like it's not a real strategy, I say, hey, why don't you get 2 accounts, right? Code YouTube, of course. 2 accounts. One account you trade your strategy that you like, that you think that you're figuring out and going to be profitable on, and the other one you try stupid Ike CT or something like that, right? And see which one you start making money from and gets to a payout first. And I think you'll be surprised, because that's how that happened to me. I got surprised when I'm like, man, this strategy is actually making me more money than the strategy that takes more effort and thinking and skill, which makes me wonder about my whole effort and thinking and skill. What is it worth, right? So what is it worth if I do better when I'm not thinking, right? So let's see if we
Can I end the stream good, man? I need a tap.
You just need a little push up and then a pull down. That's
Yep. I just need that whiff wham.
Come on. I'm gonna put another Ike CT buy at the bottom of this candle again at the 15. So I'm trying to get in a second time on this same candle here, to see if I can catch it again. Another quick pop.
I guess he don't want to feel me, man. Well, we got 2 more minutes, y'all, man.
Supid Sharma asked me, can I please provide my entry rule for XCT? So listen, watch all my past streams because I talk about it all the time, but in a quick 1 sentence, because we're running out of time here, I look for a 15-minute candle. I wait at least 2.5, 3 minutes into the candle. Want the body to be at least 20 points, the body, not the wicks, the body. And then I'll put a sell limit at the top of that candle, the wick, and a buy or a buy limit on the bottom. And I'm targeting 4 points, risking 20 to 25 points wherever there's another wick nearby. So between 20 and 25 points for 4 points. And that's it. That's the long and the short. Now I stay away from equal highs. I stay away from the 30-minute candle, the hourly candle, some things like that. There are definitely a lot of nuances because you don't want to just be entering every candle. But
tagged in.
That's pretty much the short of it. Speaking of shorts, that's what you're in right now. Let's get it. How about you, Corey? Any last words for the chat? Let them know. Let them know what's going on.
Hey man, just stay positive, man. Even though you take a L, I'm taking this W. I'll take that. We're gonna end it on that. Man, only thing I got to say, man, is stay positive, man. Even though you had a bad trading day, man, keep smiling, man. Don't try to blow your accounts, man. Just go to the next one, like brother always say. Keep a smile on your face. That will change. Stay having a good, positive attitude. If you don't, you will regret it.
That's right. One trade shouldn't make you, and one trade shouldn't break you. Okay, so make sure one trade that L does not break your account. It should not happen.
Yeah.
Right? All right, chat. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I hope you join us again next Monday. Remember, code YouTube for the best available discount. And that's it from me, Corey.
Man, good to see you, my brother. It's always good trading with you. They like us. They really, really like us. We will see you next week, man.
We
Love you,
will.
brother.
We will. Thank you, chat.